know you're so high, I wanna get you alone. You're so high, I wanna get you stoned. You're so high, I don't wanna be your friend. I wanna fuck you like I'm never gonna see you again. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. You like the kiss of death, like the hand of fate. I can tell you're trouble, but I still wanna taste. Because you know you're so high, I wanna get you alone. You're so high, I wanna get you stoned. You're so high, I don't wanna be your friend. I wanna fuck you like I'm never gonna see you again. Because you know you're so high, I wanna get you alone. So high, I wanna get you stoned. So high, I don't wanna be your friend. I wanna fuck you like I'm never gonna see you again.
Wow, that really ruined my intro there. Hey, who else opens up a YouTube live day trading, a live stream on day trading live stream? Who else opens it up with fucking Kid Rock? Woo! It's Monday morning, baby. So high. Oh, I love that little line where he says, "I want to fuck you like I'm never gonna see you again." That's how I feel about my chat sometimes. All right. That was a good one. We got a guest appearance today. Guest appearance from the hottest day trader possibly in the world. You know, if we're really gonna be, counting sticks here, I think, across the world, across the globe, we got the hottest, the latest, the greatest. We're doing it live at the BDH. This week, we're back to the normal BDH debauchery. No more Greg smiling bullshit. To be honest, I love Greg, but man, the guy, I'd be like in a trade and he'd be just smiling ear to ear. I'm like, what the fuck are you smiling about? What are you smiling about, Greg? What are you smiling for? It's weird. It freaks me out. I don't like people that smile that much. I don't even like to smile, I don't even like to smile. All right. Victoria.
Sorry, when I popped into the screen earlier, I didn't realize you were actually...
Your mic said anyway. Gotcha. You got what?
I didn't realize.
Yeah, he gave me a kiss on the cheek.
I didn't realize
before
you
the
were
live stream started.
live.
Wow, everyone's like, "Wow, he's a real pussy now." I go from talking about how I want to fuck you like I'm never gonna see you again to getting a kiss on the cheek.
Okay. Sorry.
Wow. Okay. Well, it's Monday morning. Been a while since we've seen you here at the BDH. How you been doing? How's life?
Good. Life's great.
People always ask me how Pyra's doing. I'm like, fucking killing it.
Crushing it.
Absolutely crushing
It's
it.
been so good. It's been so busy.
Are you rich yet?
You wouldn't-
Ooh, Mama rich.
You'll never
What
know.
you popping over there? Oh, we got a little liquid death,
my morning,
Popping a
morning
beer in the
bevy.
morning. I'm gonna get with that. I'm gonna pop one too. A little C4 action. I haven't had my C4 yet. This morning I woke up, the sun was shining. It was so fucking beautiful out. I was like, I can't just go to work today. I can't just go to the BDH without doing something special for myself. So that's exactly what I did. I'm always gonna do something for me. And you can see this morning getting the shred in, baby. We were shredded. Did you think I might have just disappeared?
When I couldn't find you this morning.
Yeah, where's Patrick? He's out in the middle of the ocean, shredding.
Yeah, no,
Just shredded.
it was pretty cool watching you, but the
I
water.
saw a shark.
Yeah, that's pretty scary.
What do you think? One time I fell and then I was in the water and then I thought to myself, it's like, oh my God, if I get bit by a shark right now, no one's gonna know. I told nobody. Maybe in the future I'll write a little note. I'll be
That
like,
would be
hey,
best.
I'm going foiling. If I'm not home in 2 hours, call the Coast Guard. Because that might help.
And what would they do? How would they track you?
I don't know. Maybe they could save me somehow.
Yeah.
What? Someone said, did I introduce you? Do I need to introduce?
I haven't been
do
here in
I
a minute. A
need
lot
to
of people
introduce
don't
you?
know who I am, I guess.
This is my best friend, my girlfriend. I only have one friend that's a girl, and it's Victoria. I know it's funny because it's coincidence that Victoria and Tory Trades have similar names, but they're not similar at all. In no way similarity.
I don't go by Tory.
What'd you think about my offer last week?
Oh, for the hot girls?
For the hot girls
to come out?
To come to the meeting.
I think you
How
should
does that make you feel?
I think you should award the guy who finds a hot female trader.
Oh, I should award the guy who fights a hot girl?
Well, based on all the tags, you know, people aren't really stepping up.
I mean, there wasn't any. I don't think there was one hot girl that actually was like, yeah, I'm down.
No, I didn't.
It's messed up. I said 25 grand. I thought somebody would bite. Thought there'd be some girl out there who would bite.
There needs to be more females in trading.
You gotta put that mic a little close to you, by the way. If you can't lick it, you can't hear it.
How tall is Greg's torso?
He's just fucking,
low.
it's a smile. He's got to keep his chin out of the way. Happy. All right, looking here at the Nasdaq. What do we got? We got some moves. We're sitting there at Friday's low right now. Friday's low, which is interesting too because we had a pretty big little pump there. Sunday night had a little pump from the 796s up there to the 23,882s. If you look at this chart here, we've kind of just been like in this channel down right now. I feel like it's a big old bull flag just waiting to break out here at some point. I'm not sure if it's going to be today. What do we got for news today? We got any news today? We got Slade Trades in the chat. Mr. Jewelry Man. Slade, you gonna make me an engagement ring one day? Tricky. I'm gonna tell Victoria's like, oh, where'd you get this engagement ring? Oh, I got it from Slade Trades.
Is that the guy who made the necklace?
Slade Trades. He makes custom jewelry.
Did he make your necklace, the
Yeah.
BDH necklace? Okay.
Honestly,
yeah.
though, I think for an engagement ring, the best thing would just be a big fat fucking diamond and nothing else.
Yeah, what do you mean nothing else?
Just a big ass diamond.
Like the band that goes around the finger,
yeah,
right?
There's gonna be a band, but I don't think you some people have the little things, around it, and they got stuff, little diamonds in the band and stuff.
Yeah, no, that's just cheap.
Well, I feel like it's just a way of compensating, because then
is.
people are they're oh, my ring it's 5 carats because there's 30 dining out carats work, but
Nah, I think all that looks a little tacky.
yeah, exactly. Hell yeah. God bless you. Both look good. Somebody said Periyat Mahaja.
What's that mean?
I don't know, someone's name. They're from India, clearly. Hopefully not.
Yeah, I'm
Even Trades by Slade said agree. Classic solitaire. Get $100,000 diamond, put it on a nice piece, put it on one nice little simple ring.
Okay.
And then I'll wear it. Would you even feel comfortable wearing a $100,000 ring though?
Yes, honey, I would.
You would?
Yes, I would.
That's fucked up. I don't think I would feel comfortable.
No, it's okay.
I get a little
it's a good thing only one of
I
us
get a
has to
little
wear
scared
it.
sometimes wearing a $20,000 watch because I'm an idiot and I'm gonna forget it someday. I always think I'm gonna take it off somewhere and then forget it there because I've forgotten my everything else in my life. Wallet, phone, keys. Someone said that you're swole. You are swole. Let me see those biceps.
No, I don't want
Lord.
to. I should have worn a long
You
sleeve.
should have worn a long sleeve. You're showing those guns off on the stream here, girl. Got the guns on the stream. All right, so the Nasdaq, like I said, hourly chart kind of holding up here at the lows. What are we thinking? Trying to look here.
This chart is not how I would set my chart up.
What's wrong with it? What is it? I
There's
can't
no
see.
VWAP.
You don't need none of that.
I don't know what the EMAs are.
Victoria's gonna trade today and take us all to the promised land. When's
There's
the last
no-
time you traded?
Oh, just logged
So
me out.
long ago. What?
Not so long ago. I came on here in March or April or
It
something.
logged you out?
It logged me out. Should I do live trading or simulated?
Yeah, simulated. The prop firm accounts are always simulated.
Oh yeah, I know.
Ooh, Maria, $10. Look, she's trying to get my business so bad she's paying for it. She
Oh.
paid $10. Said jewelry
Alright.
business owner, 20 years. I'll take care of your diamond bands. Oh shit. Who would have thought there's all these jewelry people in the chat? So many jewelers.
It's a good.
We got so many jewelers in the
It's a good
chat.
industry to be part of. It's a good skill to have. You can't.
Or it means that we're in the right industry. You're putting your makeup on right now?
It's not makeup. My lips are
Live
dry.
on YouTube? In front of 5,000 people? Aren't girls supposed to do that in the bathroom?
1,700 people. No 5,000 yet, honey.
It's still early, okay? We just started. Okay? Man, I think this camera's like got to go up because I think you're taller than Greg.
Yeah, I know. So I was saying, how tall is his torso? I've been slouching here.
Camera's off.
Yeah.
Camera's off. Oh, shit. Now we're in trouble. It's all going downhill.
This doesn't really move. No. There we go. Because it keeps on dropping every single time. It keeps on dropping down.
Oh, my God. What is happening? Bring your girlfriend to work day, they said. It'd be fun.
There we go. I fixed the camera. I fixed the mic. There we go.
We got problems. I hired an IT company, but clearly the IT company ain't IT-ing. All right. Looking at the hourly chart right now, we can see we kind of just been pulling back. I mean, I'm not bearish. I'm not bullish, really, I guess, at the end of the day, but we'll see what happens. Key levels to focus on here today. What do we got? Key levels. Key levels. Key levels. Key levels. Well, we got the overnight low right now. I feel like if we could take out this overnight low, maybe dip down there to the 700s, then we could try to push back up into the top of that channel. Unless we start to push the top of the channel and then we pull back here afterwards. That could be one way to look at it. Maybe we push back up here, we get denied, then we pull back there. But we have the overnight high there. We have the overnight low here. It would kind of make sense. Maybe we take out that overnight low and then we rip up here and then we maybe go back down. I don't know. You can see, trying to look here at the previous overnights when we had those moves. This would have been back there on. Your camera's out again. What the fuck? Like, how's it work? Perfectly fine. Then you come here and break it. Greg broke the camera. Greg did it. Greg broke it. What are you looking at? What you like over there, girl? Long, shorts, bears, bulls?
You know what? Let me look.
Is Victoria sitting where Greg was sitting? She is. I miss Greg so much I had to bring somebody in here today to replace him.
What am I looking at? All right, let's.
Yeah, tell us about the Pilates. People always ask, like, how's the Pilates going, Victoria?
It's
Where's
really
Victoria?
It's really good. I absolutely love it. Working out twice a day is fantastic. Everybody
You're
wants
working
me
out
to.
twice a day.
Everybody wants me to open like 10 more locations. And it's like, I need to like clone myself or something.
Yeah, don't do that. Then I'll never get to see you.
Well, you'll see one of me.
What?
If I clone myself,
Oh.
I'll have a stay-at-home Victoria.
Wait, so like if you cloned yourself, would you like just make the clone go to work and then you would stay home, or like how would that work? Or you'd have the clone stay
You
home?
would never know which Victoria is staying home.
How many? Wait, I'm confused. But if I clone myself, what would I do? I don't know what I do.
How many
Well,
clones?
imagine 3 PWs at the BDH same time.
Oh my
Maybe we
God.
could create an AI. Maybe we create an AI that could be on the stream with me, like talking. That could be a thing.
But of you?
I'm gonna download my brain into an AI, and then we'll have the AI Patrick live streaming. And then whenever I'm not here, no one will even know. They honestly wouldn't even know.
No.
Like at the AI the whole time was like, fuck, shit, fuck, shit, fuck. And they just be like, man, Patrick's really having a bad day, you know? Just tell the AI to say the most outrageous shit. The more outrageous, the more they watch.
But would you have control of it, or would it be like free to do?
No, free AI, free Patrick Wieland AI, take over the world.
But what if it started becoming so smart that I wanted to take over you and be the only Patrick Wieland?
Shit, that could be a bad thing too. So many problems, so little time. All right. We are here today at the BDH. I don't know why you're looking so much better than me. I think the lighting's just better for you over there or something. I don't know. My skin don't look like your skin. You look like a newborn baby. I look like an old fuck. Look at my skin's all tattered and bladdered. I look really white too. Why do I look so white? God, I was on the sun this weekend. Why do I look so white? What the fuck? What the fuck, chat? I look so white. I know I look so white. I can't even fix it. Fuck it. We're just gonna be white forever. I'm the most white person on the planet. I'm a white person with a really big. Never mind. I don't understand though. That is. Oh, lordy.
Somebody asked how I ended up down in Florida from Canada. I actually ended up in Texas first. I lived in Dallas for 3 years, and then I ended up in Florida. How I got there will remain a mystery.
She went chasing waterfalls, clearly.
It all worked out. It all worked out.
Now I'm looking real good. Look at me. Now looking good. Don't worry, boys.
I'm looking bullish today. I'm looking for this to come back a little bit and then pump a little higher.
Ooh, a little pump.
But based on my old rules, I don't trade pre-market open, and then I try not to trade for the first 15 minutes to wait for that range. But
Ain't
that's
that
just those are my old rules.
That the truth.
And
You
I
know
want to
what
stick
I mean?
to them.
That is the truth right there, my friends. That is the truth. All right now, a little pullback here on the Nasdaq. We're below the 23,800 area. Obviously, we've got the Friday close to look at here. Friday close. We're in this big channel right now. We got no news today, right? I don't think so. Let me look. I don't think so. What's today? The 18th. Wow, it's only 10 more days till my birthday. 10 more days till my birthday.
Are you excited?
No. Because I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for my birthday.
I know you guys need to give him some ideas because I've been trying.
I think maybe I might go to Dubai. Go to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, go surfing. I don't know. That's a mission, though.
I like that idea.
It's an absolute mission. I really don't know. Maybe I'll just stay here and just stream all day, every day, 24/7 for the rest of my life. Make millions of dollars and never spend it. I have a bad feeling.
About what?
I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom here in a minute. Don't worry, chat. Victoria's gonna take over the show while I'm in the bathroom for the next 20 minutes. Oh Lord, I can just it's bubbling.
Oh, Patrick.
Bubbling. Oh man. What's been some of the things that you've learned or experienced since opening Pyra that you maybe you weren't aware of or didn't think about? Like, what's been some of the challenges?
Ugh, some of the challenges. Well,
did you think it would be as easy? Did you think you would easily find like instructors, or how's that been like finding employees and
well,
stuff?
I jumped into the water before I could swim, which is probably the best thing to do as a new business owner because you just figure it out without any fear. And as things came my way, I just learned as they came. You can't like prepare this. Like I went to college for business. Like you don't really learn how to run a business until you're in it. Dealing with people, dealing with customers has been my biggest, not issue because I'm really good at dealing with them, but my biggest like irritation. Because it's like the customer is always right, but like
don't tell them.
Are they? Are they always right? Like they're not always right.
Don't tell them that, chat. Well, that's I can't tell if my camera is like out of focus or is it just my face over there? How's my face look, chat?
No, it looks out of focus there.
Does it look out of focus?
Yeah, it does.
It looks weird.
Somebody asked me what lip gloss I'm wearing. I don't know. My friend gave it to me.
What lip gloss is popping? Don't go stopping. Out of focus and red. Oh, I got all the problems. I got every possible problem there is. All right. Every problem.
Blurry.
Blurry, out of focus, red. God, everything.
At least it's not me.
Yeah, at least you're not fucking out of focus and red. So hard to like see. if I'm actually in focus.
How about that 5,000 challenge today? I like that.
A $5,000
Me
challenge.
against
Yeah,
me.
I still got to send Alex's $5,000. I was hoping maybe you forget about it, but I doubt it. All right, right now Nasdaq pulling back here. This kind of plays into that idea, the idea of pulling back, taking out this overnight low possibly. We got the VWAP to the upside, 23,800s. If we're opening up down here at the low over the overnight, I mean, I'm thinking that we could pull back maybe to the bottom of that channel 700 level, 23,700. Then there's a long at that point. So we'll see how it goes.
I'll make $500 and then I'll leave today.
Wait, whoa. That's not how this works. You have to stay until I tell you that you can leave.
So I made 150. So I'm only.
Wait, you made 150 already?
Yeah, well, I thought.
What are you doing over there,
I just
Greg?
took a little. I scalp. The thing is, I scalp. I look at a move.
I scalp.
And I'm like, that's going to
I'm a
continue to go
scalper,
down
okay?
a little bit.
Let's see. Let me see what we did. All right, we got a trade. Victoria just put on a trade. I don't know why it keeps kicking me out. Did it kick you out or only me?
Just you. You can look at my screen.
Oh, I know. I'm looking at it right now on my computer. Victoria made a trade. She got short there.
Oh, it kicked me out too.
At 64 down to the 59s. Wow, I got your 5 points, honey. We got to work on you holding. You got to last a little longer.
Let me
You need
shake
to
off
last
the
a little
Let me
longer,
dust
honey
it
bunny.
off, babe. Like, okay, let me shake it off. Like,
Shake it off.
I needed to make that first trade to just get it.
Yeah, shake it off.
I don't think we can look at the screen at the same time.
Okay, you go back. You take it over. You take it over. She just said no pre-market
Yeah,
trade.
I know.
She
I did
FOMO'd
say
into
that.
it.
No, I can't, babe. I just keep on getting kicked out.
All right, you should be good now. Try it now. Try it
Okay.
now. I still feel like this is like...
I know I broke my first rule, but I really just wanted to make one trade
Jason.
just to get back into it, you guys. I'm also like, I'm not a serious trader, so nothing I say.
Whoa. Don't say
Nothing
that.
I say is financial
Don't say you're not a
advice.
serious
Well, I
trader.
spent a lot of time
I'm not a
last year.
serious
No, I spent a
trader.
lot of
Can you
time
tell Jason to come here real
last
quick,
year
please,
trade. For
Ginger?
anybody who doesn't know me, I did trade like every single day for like 6 months. I passed
my
a million
camera.
different accounts. I got funded a million different times. So I know how to trade. Am I good? I'm better than some. Maybe some guests that you recently had on, but I'm not
Can
an
you
expert.
go and focus this cam? For some reason, it went into manual, and every time I try to focus it sitting here, it just gets all weird. So I'm gonna be sitting here. So just, I think if you no, mine. Yeah, just hit the thing there, like the top button, see if it'll focus. Does it focus or no? Nope. Yeah. No, pull it back to you. There you go. Put it in constant focus. I don't know why the fuck. There we go. And then flip it back. I don't know why it went. It's in manual again. It keeps going into manual. I think it's better though. Good. Can you adjust the I don't know, just leave it. If that's good, that's good. It looks good now. All right, I see my eyeballs. It's really weird. I don't know why it's set up like that. All right, here we go. We got the Nasdaq. The key levels today, I mean, pretty much you got yesterday, well, Friday's close. They are 23,800. You got the pivot point to the downside, 23,700. So overnight so far, we've taken, we pushed up there to the 880 area. We pulled all the way back here to the 760. So we got about a 100-point range overnight. That's normally a bad sign. Bad sign here for price action, but we'll see what happens. Who's the guest? It's Victoria Trades.
Hi.
Victoria L Trades.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you know
What's
what
the
L
chance?
stands?
What is the chance
Do you
that
know
my
what L? Do you know what L stands for? Do you know what my middle name is?
We don't want to say it online because then they'll steal your identity.
I think it's on my Twitter.
Well, that's not good. Is it a coincidence that my arch enemy is also Victoria Trades?
I don't think anybody calls her by Victoria. She's not worthy
Victoria
for the
Trades.
Victoria name.
Oh, shots fired. Oh God. Oh, it's gonna be. We're gonna get crazy up here
But
today,
any
boys.
Victoria that calls themselves Tory is
Oh
trouble.
God, it's gonna get. I did not anticipate this. I did not anticipate this.
This is why you don't go by Pat and I don't go by Tory. We don't abbreviate greatness.
Oh God. Victoria versus Tory Trades. The battle is real. They're gonna fight hand-to-hand combat. I'm putting all my money on fucking actual Victoria because she got them muscles, dog. She got them muscles.
This is setting up to look like a bear flag to me, but it is before 9:30.
Up to look like a bear flag.
Well,
to
that's
you.
a little bear flag there. You had the few little wick,
Yeah, a little
wick,
push
and then
back
push
up.
back
Okay.
up. It's
Back up
hitting
the
some
EMAs.
EMAs. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I would
We got
consider
the
a bear
across
flag.
the EMAs. You're not wrong.
I'm going to
You
put my
are
money
not
where my
wrong.
mouth is. I'm going to take a little trade here and see how this works out for me. I'm
I thought
going
you
to
just
try
said
to
you were going to wait till market
yeah, well,
open.
you know what?
You are You are. What? You are everything that's wrong with this world.
Don't even look at me right now. Took a little short. We'll see how this
You
works
took
out.
a little short already?
Yeah, well,
You're really trying to get it in
maybe
before
I
market
need to
open.
win. Maybe I need to lose. Maybe I need to get my hands
Yeah,
smacked.
you're about to get a face ripper. All right. I don't really have anything not much to say here other than just kind of waiting for market open today. We got no real major news today. We got a little bit of news at 10 o'clock, but nothing really, nothing out of the norm. In terms of the weekly news, what do we got here? We've got initial jobless claims on the 21st. We got PMI number, existing home sales on the 21st. We got building permits on the 19th. So yeah, very just kind of uneventful week. Yeah, nothing really out of the ordinary this week. We're not far from all-time highs. I mean, we're really only about 200 points or so from all-time highs, maybe 300 points or so from all-time highs. So we'll see what happens. Right now, the Nasdaq, a little push back up, getting back above those EMAs. Jackson Hole. Oh, I like some Jackson Hole on Friday. I mean, Jackson Hole on Friday ain't much to worry about.
What's Jackson Hole on Friday? Like, I know what Jackson Hole the place is. But
It's this place where all these guys go and they put stuff in the hole.
no, I know they have a big meeting every single year there, but like, did something happen?
Jerome Powell, he's gonna go play with Jackson's Hole on Friday.
Got it.
If you poured honey on her skin, it would disappear. What does that mean?
It means my skin looks like honey?
You got honey skin.
Oh, thanks.
Damn. If you poured honey on my skin, what would happen? I just look sticky. I just look sticky. Oh man. Brittany Gellis said, "Me and my mom log on every morning to watch. We're almost so close to our first payout. Let's go, Brittany and her mom."
Yay. That's exciting.
Gotta love that. Still feel like this overly just bright. I don't know
you're
why I'm
fine.
so.
Stop complaining.
But I'm looking at your skin color. Look at I like.
We're also different skin tone, honey.
There's no way is am
I am
that
brown,
white? I look
and you do
fucking
look
pale
like
white
this.
right now.
Kind of like what we look like in
Do
real
I
life.
always look pale white? Is this how I always look?
Yes.
I swear it's not me. It's the lighting. I swear. This is really fucking up my. I can't do this anymore. Your color's like Trump, right? Anybody see my new Bronco? That Bronco I got over the weekend. That thing is sick as fuck. Who saw my Bronco? I've been driving that. I almost ran out of gas earlier. I was on the way
Really?
here and it started like going like doing weird stuff. And I was
Oh,
like,
no.
And then I looked and I was almost on E. And then I made it to the gas station.
That's good.
I got real lucky. I was gonna have to call you, say, hey, come help me push the Bronco.
They have AA for that, honey.
I would have helped you push me for sure. AA. AA's
Triple
for
A?
alcoholics. Triple A's for cars, Curl. Triple A's for cars, AA's for alcoholics.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
well.
So here's my Bronco that I got on Saturday. Look at that thing. Oh my God. I don't know why, but it looks so cool. I think it looks cool as
It's
fuck.
cool in person too.
Yeah. 1969. 1969, baby. My favorite number. What's crazy is this is almost as old as my dad driving this thing around. It's a manual. Fuck yeah, it's a manual. Come on now. That is not an OJ Bronco either.
No.
OJ had the newer Bronco. This is the older Bronco. This is the original Bronco, the only real Bronco there is. And then if you missed it this morning, I woke up this morning when it was dark out and I rode my little e-foil out to the ocean and I watched the sunrise. I saw a shark. I saw some fishies. You see all those fish that were behind the house?
Yeah, it was crazy.
I walked out there and they're all sitting there. I'm like, okay, I guess we're having a meeting of the fish behind our house. Even that triple tail was just hanging out there.
Yeah, it was really cool.
This is an e-foil. We're cruising, flying above the water. This is the closest feeling to flying that you could ever get. You feel weightless. You feel like you're literally just whee, flying like a bird. And it's pretty cool because I'm able to ride basically from the back of our house, jump in the water, ride the board all the way out to the ocean, ride it back, and live the dream, man. Are you still short?
Yeah, it was horrible because then it just went completely sideways. I'm not out though. I'm still holding.
Where's your stop at? Where's your entry at?
My entry's at 67. Like it's just I'm below.
67. I mean, it's not terrible.
It's not horrible. I'm still holding. Like it's dropping. All right now.
I think as long as you keep your stop above
now
like
I'm in the
75s, you're good. Keep that stop at 75. You're good.
It's at 74.
All right, yeah, it's fine.
See?
Yeah, 74.
There we go. Okay.
All right. Victoria's short
Still
at the
short.
67. So you got her stop at the 74 level. I like it.
Yeah.
What are you gonna be targeting? The overnight low, right?
Yeah.
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 No,
Exactly.
actually, I just put it 10 points below.
No, go lower. Go bigger.
Go bigger.
Go bigger, baby.
This is why I passed a bunch of things, and I actually was consistent because like I didn't just like take 10 points just to take 10 points. Like if I didn't see 10 points to be taken, then I would take 5, and then I would take another 5.
All right, man. Well, guess what? What I'll do is I'll go long at open. You go short, and then we'll show whichever trade is profitable.
You're gonna fade me?
No, I'll just do the opposite. That way, if you're wrong, then we can go, oh, never mind. Look, I'm long now. You know what I mean?
How about?
That way, the chat, they don't win.
So you want to go long? I'll go short.
Yeah, you stay short. I'll go long, and that way we can tell the chat in 5 minutes when the market opens that we knew exactly which way the market was going to go. See, no one's going to figure this out. Nobody's going to figure this out. Nobody.
Is she really Tory Trades?
No one's going to know.
No, I'm not Tory Trades.
Tory Trades in the house. I saw a really funny video thing this weekend. This is my favorite thing about social media is that these fucking morons pay for ads, right? They pay to have their ad put up on top of the Nasdaq screen, and then they post about it and act like they fucking are endorsed by Nasdaq. Jesse Rogers is not endorsed by the Nasdaq, you idiots. He paid $150 for a 15-second ad. Wow. This is what the real ad should look like. Well,
How long do you think I should hold this?
till it hits the lows. Hold it till it hits the lows. This is what a real ad looks like. Look at that. AI, baby. Didn't pay anything. Haha, gotcha. But really, this is what it should say. Jesse Rogers, indicted. Disruption of cocaine, marijuana. 167 pounds of marijuana, 385 grams of cocaine, 15 pounds of THC wax, 2,000 THC vapes, 72 firearms, $800,000 in cash. Caught drug trafficking. That should be the actual ad in Times Square. But hey, who's counting? You know, who's counting? I'm actually still, I want to know who his attorney is, because whoever his attorney is, they good. They real good at getting people off. I need that attorney's number.
Thing is, I want to get out of this trade before market like opens.
You're getting out of it?
Well, I want to get out of it before market
get out of it
opens.
then if you like it.
Well,
Don't-
I'm gonna wait until it's past, until I'm green again.
Oh, now you wait until it's green again. Okay. I
Well,
like
because
that.
it just dipped down, but now it looks like it might pump higher. So like I want to get out, but I don't want to get out in a red.
Yeah,
I
that
don't
little
wanna,
pump back up kind of sucks.
yeah, that sucks right there. So that's why I don't want to sit in this.
That happened
forever.
what, right at
Sell off. There you go. I just got stopped
25.
out.
Yeah. So
See, if I didn't move my stop on that wick down, I would have bought. Oh well, it is what it is. It's still green. No,
oh God.
actually in the red $50, but that's okay. Oh my God, I'm never gonna recover.
That's like one pirate class.
Yeah, it is.
That's just one pirate class. All right, we got about 3 minutes here till market opens. Just a quick rundown on what we have. Looking at the charts right now, we got the low 23,740 area, the overnight low. We got the overnight high 23,883s. Which way we going? Up, down, left, right? Nobody knows. We're gonna find out. So let's see. Pivot point to the upside there, 833s. Pivot point to the downside at the 703s. Lots of time to make some money. Oh. This is what happens when you trade pre-market.
Oh, well, that's why I'm not taking any more trades until after we open.
This is what happens.
It's okay.
I would love, like I said, I kind of love to see like a big kind of dump maybe there at open, and then we get a push back up kind of thing. We'll see. We got 2 minutes. This market is getting wild and crazy right here. We're down here at the lows. We're probably just going to pump straight up, honestly. I don't know. Can you explain what a pivot point is? The pivot point is the highs and lows and the data from the previous day potted out there.
Why don't you have this screen with a bunch of different charts? Like, this is not how I used to trade.
I mean, you can put stuff over there. I just don't have it set up. Greg had it set up for something different, but I don't know if you. I don't think you have a trading. Do you have Trading View?
Yeah, I do.
A login for Trading View?
Yeah.
Oh shit. You fancy? You fancy, huh? You fancy, huh?
Shoot. Just got rid of Trade-A-Bait.
What?
I don't have Trade-A-Bait on my screen right now anymore.
Go back to Google and try it again. I don't know. All right, here we go. Nasdaq down there to the 64s now. Victoria was short. She got stopped out. Look at it right back down there again. God damn it. God damn it, chat. I feel like we gotta swipe that 750 level and then we pop back up. I don't know. What are we thinking? Left, right, straight up, down, all around.
Let me look at the bigger.
30 seconds. 30 seconds till market opens. 30 seconds till market opens. Going right for sure. Why not go up to the VWAP and then down? Well, that's also a possibility. We are opening up at the lows here. Will the buyers step in? 10 seconds. Dip and then the rip. I like it. There we go. Market is open. No dip yet. Just the rip. Straight up here. Oh, Lord. What a stupid. Oh, God. Oh, God. Chat. Straight up. 790s now. I wanted this. If I wanted to get long, this would have been the candle to go the other way. You know what I mean? We would have liked to see that candle go the other way. Ripping right now. Look at her go. All right, back up there to the VWAP now. We're right there at yesterday's close. Let's see what happens here now. Still ripping up there above the 800s. Woo, buddy. We got a ripper. Right there to the VWAP now. Stuck there at the VWAP. What you doing over there? You doing anything?
No.
No trades? Relaxing? Just admiring the views, huh?
I'm admiring that big old boner
Just
candle.
admiring the views.
Now
Ain't that the truth?
Selling down.
Well, right
Up,
back down here
down.
again, 782. See if we're going to build out a bit of a bull flag here for now. Just being patient. No reason to rush anything. She is not short. She's tall. Get it? I kind of like, let's see what happens. Kind of this pullback here. If we can hold those lows. Well, I mean, hold the 780 level. This should try, see if we're going to ramp up through the 800s there next. She's trying. She's really, really trying. All right, they're holding it up there at those EMAs for now. We pushed right there to the Friday close, 23,800s. Need some more pushy. I think this is going to go higher, honestly. It just looks like it wants to ramp up there. Just wants to ramp up through the 800s again. See if we can't go all the way up there to that pivot point, 833's pivot point.
I did just take a long there.
You took a long.
Yeah.
Victoria's long. I like it. Let's go. What's your target at? Tell me. Tell me. I said, do ya?
I don't even know what my target should be here. I'm up 200.
Get through this 805 level. Try to rip up right here, right now.
Yeah?
Let's go. Let's go. Push it, baby. Push it. Push
Okay.
it. Push it. Push it.
All right, let's see.
There we go. Up to the
right,
812s now. Still
nice.
ripping.
Nice.
Nice little push out of the lows. Like I said, holding those EMAs there, the 780s. There we go. There we go.
Beautiful.
There we go.
I got in long
815s.
at 93, so I'm still long.
Victoria's long at the 93s. Let's go.
Up 400.
Let's see if we can go towards the 840s there. I think we can do it.
So I said if I make 500, I'm out. I think we're at 500.
500, 500, 500.
500.
It might kick you out. I'm trying to log in again so I can see it. Let's see if we can log it in. Trying to see Victoria's trades here.
And I'm out.
It logged you out?
I
Or-
logged out, and thank God I got out, and then it logged me
Yeah,
out.
I would have been able to do it. Fucking A, where's the thing at? Oh yeah, nice little trade there. Nice little trade there. Victoria took the long from 93.
Don't look at my other ones, but I'm still green.
You're a degenerate.
Okay, well, you know
She
what?
got long at the 93s. What is this one? Oh, you got short there? Oh, God, Victoria.
No, I didn't get short there. That's me getting long.
No, this one.
That's me selling.
Oh.
That's not me getting short. That's
Well,
me
what's that?
selling. I bought and I sold.
Oh, for 1 point. Nice work.
What do you mean 1 point? I made $500 off that trade.
Off this trade?
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Focus on the chart. All right, we're above the VWAP here. We're right there at that 804 level. I feel like if this keeps up, it's going to want to try to push up there to the overnight high. What do we got? Apple, a little pullback there on Apple, 231s. It's either got to it's got to make or break through this 820 level, get through that kind of trend line there, and then try to take out the overnight high, or we get stuck right here at this 840 level, and then we start to sell back down. So see what happens. Everybody asking about bring back Greg. We're not bringing back Greg. Greg's a grown adult. He's got a family. He's got kids. He's returned home to his life. He also lives in Orlando, which is a 3-hour drive from where we are right now. So it'd be hard to have him at the BDH.
Hey, people are
consistently.
making money. Up 1,400. You're welcome.
DY said I doubted him, but Patrick is pretty good. Well, you know, That's my job here, to turn the haters into supporters. Nothing better than turning haters into support.
Well, if I don't get some love on the stream in the live chat, then I'm never coming back.
What's stronger than anything is when resistance turns into support. All the people out there that doubted me, that hated me, that thought that I couldn't do it. Well, now that they're supporting me, see? They're the strongest supporters. Someone says your wife looks innocent. Yes, she is innocent. PW, I love the Bronco. Let's go. I love the Bronco too. But me and Victoria, we drive around that Bronco all weekend long. We were at brunch yesterday.
Oh, yeah, we were.
We were at brunch yesterday, and somebody ran up to me and was like, BDH! And I was like, oh, fuck. Thought I was gonna get someone was gonna fight me. I thought I was getting served court documents. Some guy at the brunch coming up. Are you in the chat? Is that guy in the chat? Sometimes the people in the chat are the guys that see me in real life. All right, right now we're here at the VWAP. Holding up there the VWAP. This is a very, it's either a make or break, right? For the Nasdaq, make or break. We're either gonna push up here or we're stuck and we're coming right back down. We obviously got the 15-minute range coming up here as well. I like the idea of waiting for this 15-minute range to play out. Let this pull back again, maybe. I don't know. Someone said she liked being called your wife. Hey, wife.
No, actually, I don't, because
yeah, it's disrespectful.
It's disrespectful because I'm not your wife.
You ain't my wife?
No.
You my hoe.
So stupid.
Remember, what I say on this live stream does not count in real life. So I can say anything that I want on this stream,
yeah?
and you can't get mad at me.
Sure.
Can't get mad at me.
Sure.
I'm in character right now. This is the BDH character, you know? I don't talk at home, it's totally different. Yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. At the BDH, like, hey, bitch, go get my coffee.
No. We're not doing that.
Oh, Nasdaq right now. I feel like there's a long coming up here. What are we thinking?
Me too.
You like it long
Yeah.
too?
I'm long.
All right, well, let's try it.
I'm long.
I'm long too.
Ooh.
Long here at the 802s. Be targeting kind of up here into the 20s, maybe a little lower. I'm gonna try to play this maybe 30s.
Nervous.
Just kind of stop down here at the lows.
This is why more men are traders than women, because it's just like adrenaline, and it's like
Adrenaline.
it's adrenaline.
It's not supposed to be adrenaline.
I know it's
You're not supposed to have any feeling. Like, I have no feeling right now.
yeah.
I don't have any feeling. I don't. I'm like, whatever. If it goes up, it goes up. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
I know, but I'm just saying, not everybody trades like you trade.
Yo, I'm a fucking robot. I'm a VWAP robot, they call me. As I say that, the market crashes on me.
No,
God
seriously,
damn it.
you're just.
I said I was gonna wait for the 15-minute range. I did not wait for the 15-minute range, and now I'm probably gonna pay the price. Classic. All right, that's not a good sign. We needed to go straight through those highs there. I'm watching this candle. If this candle does not close back above my entry, I might just get out here for a smaller loss.
I'm gonna get out for a small loss too. I'm gonna get out right.
Well, not yet. The candle hasn't closed. Give that candle a little bit of time. You got 10 seconds. If this candle closes above 800, I'm holding. I want to close above 800s, but again, back down.
Let me trade how I want to trade though.
Oh,
what if I don't want to take?
You're coming to BDH to learn how to trade.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't love that.
Yeah, me neither. I wanted to take my $20 loss versus
I'm gonna move my
$100
stop
loss.
right there to the 92s just to minimize risk here. But let's see what this candle wants to do here.
Come on.
She's holding those EMAs. I like that we're holding the EMAs right now. I do not have EMAs on this chart, but we are holding those EMAs right there.
All right, I'm out for a profit on that one.
You're out for a profit?
Oh,
fucking
God.
A. I gotta last longer, baby. Takes me a minute to hit my target. And dig stock.
Glad I got my
No bueno, no bueno.
$20 profit. Ooh.
But that's why we minimized our loss there, kept it small, no rush. Back down there now. We got stuck right there. We should have waited for that 15-minute
Yeah.
range, Patrick. Come on. Retard, boy.
Are you trading different because I'm here?
Am I trading different because you're here? No. It kind of was looking like it wanted to squeeze up there. I mean, I was up 10 points on that trade. Just couldn't go. All right, well, back down here now. Like I said, if we start to sell down here, it is not good because, well, then obviously looking for new lows through that area. So we'll see what happens.
Vibey music.
Vibey music, baby. It's that BDH vibes. All right, right now we are still inside the 15-minute range. We got about 2 minutes here till the range closes. And then we've got those lows down there at the 740s or so. So Nasdaq looking bearish though. Just could not get through the 800 level. So the path to least resistance. The path of least resistance. We got no news. Well, I think we got a little bit of news at 10 o'clock, like some random ass news.
I wish you had a coffee machine here.
Oh, coffee machine. Coffee's bad for you. C4 is good for you.
Coffee's just beans and water. What's the ingredients in C4?
Everything bad. More GMO, baby. I need more GMO. All right, right now, Nasdaq is kind of holding the opening range low right now. Popped it right back up here again. We'll see if it's going to turn into a big bear, like a mini bear flag. We push back up, get stuck there at the 780s area again. The ES is pushed back up off the lows. The Nasdaq's doing the same. Apple's making new highs. If they take out that 770 area, could we go all the way to the 700s is the question. Watching the ES here. ES is like back up to the VWAP. Nasdaq's a little bit lower off the VWAP. Still holding there. Just stuck there below the lows, well, below the 790s,
And there's the
800 level.
15-minute
That key level for the
range.
bulls, 800. The ES just pushed back up to the top of the opening range high. So, will the Nasdaq follow here now? Looking very kind of strong at those lows down there for now. ES is ripping back up. Nasdaq's trying to hold up here. We're below the VWAP. The chop is real. Apple's making new highs right now. ES is about to break out of the opening range from, you can see here, ES is now breaking out of the opening range to the upside, which is interesting. So will the Nasdaq follow here now? I think it maybe will. Apple's trying to make new highs. QQQ just kind of obviously sitting in the same place as the Nasdaq here. They couldn't take out the lows, so back up. We'll see if this is going to turn into a delayed reaction. Since the ES has made new highs already, will the Nasdaq follow and try to push for new highs as well? This depends also. We don't want the ES to get stuck right here. If the ES gets stuck right here, Nasdaq's in trouble. But the ES can start pushing back up there, 475s or more. You got the overnight. You got like this kind of all the way back up there, 480s or 483s on the ES there. So Nasdaq just kind of trailing, almost the same exact setup as the ES, but just hasn't broken back out to the upside here. Oh yeah, ES, Nasdaq pushing. See if the Nasdaq will break out of this 15-minute range, try to push up there to the 840s next.
I got long in the 93s.
You're long. Victoria's long at the 93s. All right, all right. All right, ES is now that 804 level. This is that Friday close. Friday close. To get above the 804s, try to make a new high through there. Just needs to go. That dotted line is the previous day close. So Friday close right now. The ES looking pretty good. Look at the ES still pushing straight up there now. I think if the ES keeps going, Nasdaq will follow.
I got stopped out there.
You got stopped out profit?
Because I moved my line.
Well, you took profit. It's not like stopped down.
Yeah, I got profit.
Yeah, you took profit. All right, I like it. All right, let's see what the Nasdaq can push. ES up through the opening range high. Nasdaq still lagging, has not made a new high yet. Just consolidating here.
Glad I took profit there then.
If you guys are enjoying the stream, don't be afraid to hit that like button, subscribe button. You know how we like to go, you know. ES, Nasdaq, ES pulling back here again. Had another lower high on the Nasdaq. ES made new highs. What does that mean, chat? What does it mean? The chop is real. Right back down there again to the 82s. Nasdaq right back down there to the lows again. ES pulled back to the VWAP. Trouble here once again. Testing those 70s. Trouble, trouble, trouble. She's in trouble, chat. Straight down there. Wow. Trouble. That bear flag playing out, I guess, from the 800s. Could not get up there. There she goes. Down there, the 754s now. What you doing over there?
I took a short and I made a little profit, and then I took another short. You know how I trade. You know my annoying trading style.
All right, Nasdaq down there, 750s. Ooh, buddy.
Yeah, so I'm in the short.
Got stuck there at the yesterday's close, straight back down. Let's go. There's that 750 area now. I'm kicking you out for a minute. Hold on.
Wait, I just got into it.
All right. Well, I got it. It's fine. All right. Victoria is short right now.
I haven't put my stop loss weight.
I got it.
All right, you trade this for me then. I'm out anyway, so I didn't put a stop loss.
I got it. Don't worry.
Okay.
All right. Victoria's short here. At the lows right now. Got to stop at the 58s. And you stopped. Such is life. That's a lot of like you're like too spastic.
I know.
Way too spastic. I don't know why why people get so spastic with trading. It's like people do the fun, like even Greg was doing that shit where like instead of like just holding the same trade, he'd rather enter 20 times.
You know, when I'm in an actual
to get to the same place.
So I've watched Patrick's course twice. As soon as I come off watching it, and this is like I haven't traded in like 5 months, maybe if not longer. As soon as I come up from watching his course, I'm never nervous. I'm never excited with a trade. I know exactly where my stop losses are. I see the bigger picture. Like everything is so clear when I'm just here fucking around.
Don't fuck around, girl.
I'm just kind of going back to my old ways.
It happens. All right, looking here at the Nasdaq, maybe there's another short opportunity if we stay below those lows. Stop trying to log in. Just stay out. You're not trading well, so let's focus on actually trading.
Okay, I'll watch.
All right. Watching here for possible short out of these lows here. The problem is she's in my account, so if I can't log in if she's logged in at the same time. So I'm trying to.
Oh, you can't log into your account when I'm logged. You can't log into any.
I guess I don't know. It just keeps kicking you out and kicks me out every time you log in.
That's fair.
Also, like, again. All right, we're at the bottom of the opening range low here. See what happens to this 770 area. If we push back up, tap those EMAs again. ES has not broken the opening range low yet. We'll try this short here. Stop above the 771s. I'm going to be targeting 720s or more the downside if we start to really sell. ES is about to sell through the opening range low, so the Nasdaq, we'll see if the Nasdaq will start to crater here. Du-du-du-du-du-du. Looks like she wants to dump. Trouble there. Someone said every time they watch, I lose. Well, stop fucking watching me, you idiot. The fuck, bro? You're my bad luck charm. If I get through the 50s, I'm looking to move my stop down. Literally, some guy said every time he watches me, I lose. I'm like, well, bro, stop fucking losing. The fuck? I mean, well, stop watching, please. Clearly, you're my bad luck charm. All right, I'm moving my stop to the 55s. Looks really good. See if we can get down here below the 30s next. Get some continuation. I guess this is the one time that guy watched and I didn't lose. Bread said, I don't know how to trade. Okay. Thank you guys so much for your support.
See, I feel like if you didn't take over my screen and I was still short there, I wouldn't have been stopped up. And I still would have been short.
Okay.
No, probably not.
Maybe.
No, probably not. Those wicks, that would have wicked me out.
You would have taken 7 trades but during that time period.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Way too many trades. That's like people go to Pilates class when they just doing too much. You're looking at them like, well, that person's just doing too much.
Like that one girl where
Yeah.
I'm like, she's just
doing too much, you know? Like some
I'm
people
just
just be
like,
doing too
She
much.
just needs to stop, yeah.
All right, I got my stop at the 55s. You know, I could take 10 points here and just lock it in, but I'm looking for more. Let this play out. Be patient. If this closes below the 40s here, I'll move my stop down a little bit more to like the 48s. So I'm looking for more out of it. I want to see a move down here into that 720 area, maybe lower. We got a pivot point at the 703s.
Did you lower the TV?
I'm moving my stop to the 48. Fucking A, 48s. God damn it. Whatever. 10 points. What?
Oh, never mind. Sorry.
I lowered those TVs.
Yeah.
Yes. Whatever. Fucking A, man. Right there at the lows right now. Chopping around here some more. We still locked in 10 points. I swear to God. Somebody else tell me I told you so. Come on. Somebody else. I need it. I need more people to tell me I told you so. Please. Tell me. Everybody. God. I swear. I hate reading the chat sometimes. Like, I just hate it.
Does it actually get you fired up though?
No, I just hate it. I just fucking hate it. It's like I gotta listen. Like I get stopped out for 10-point profit, and they're still gonna sit there and be like, "I told you so, Patrick."
Why don't you just exit the chat and
I don't
read
know.
it?
It's just so stupid. I fucking hate reading the chat. It's the biggest joke. Because I want to have fun and like talk to the chat, but like it's just.
But
like,
I think between like the hours where you're actually trading, like you should not be looking at the chat.
Well, I
Because
know
I've
that,
seen you
but-
spiral. Like
Oh, thanks. Let's talk about me sparkling, spiraling, sparkling.
sparkling.
Wow, look at that chat. It's still going lower. Everybody said, "Oh, Patrick, it's gonna." Oh God. Still holding up here at the lows right now. Apple still pushing higher. Nasdaq took out these lows now. I'm gonna try a long here, just for the sheer fact that we took out those lows. Maybe we can pop it back up for 20, 30 points before going lower. This little bullish candle came back in, took out that wick there. So Either going to be a good idea or a bad idea. That's what I love about trading, baby. It's either good or it's bad. There is no in between. It's either you make money or you lose money.
Yeah.
Either going to make money or you're going to lose the money. Is this lady his wife? No, she's my girlfriend. Got a big buyer there at 61s. Let's see if this will pump a little bit. Got the VWAP up there, the 80s. I like the 80 push maybe. I don't know. 80 push maybe. What?
Victoria's more entertaining to watch trade. Yeah, because I'm more ridiculous and it doesn't make sense. And it's entertaining because it's funny.
It's funny.
It's funny. Yeah, it's funny when it's not your money.
All right, ripping back up there. Take it right there at the 80s. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. From the 63s up there to the 81s.
Don't you have the cheersing button on your thing? Oh, you can't hear it. You can't hear it here. Oh,
What do you think, chat? And what do you think, chat? All right, the reason that I like that trade, going back to the premise here, look at the 15-minute chart. We took out all these lows there on the 15-minute chart. We had this like very kind of strong pushback up off of that, like this wick right here. We had that big wick there, but look at how this next candle dips below the low and took out the high of that 1 minute candle. So that to me is very bullish. It's telling me that the buyers are stepping in there and they basically trapping bears at that point. So the bears are getting trapped down here, and look at this push back up here now. So that's kind of what I was looking at. So that's two trades back to back, winning trades. We took a short there at the 58s, covered there at the 48s. We got long there at 63. We took profit there at 81. So for the guy earlier said that he never, every time he watches me, I lose. Well, I guess today's the day that we broke their record. You know, you can now say that there's one time that you watched Patrick Wieland. You watched me one time, and one time I made money. All right, one time. So at least you can say that now.
And if anybody asked if I made money, no, it was up. And then my last,
you just looking like $100 bill, don't you? You don't need to make no money.
That last trade, I think it was like
the amount of money that we get from the views on YouTube right now, because you're here, it's like dollar, just. Woo!
Oh God.
I'm fired up, boys. Victoria gotta make me rich. I'm gonna be able to buy one of them new Lamborghinis. What's your favorite car out of all the cars that I own?
The Bronco right now.
The Bronco right now?
Yeah, it's fun. Not the Lamborghini. That's my least favorite.
You don't
right
like
now.
the that's because the AC's not working.
Because we took it to dinner
Fucking
twice.
Lamborghinis.
And I was sweating in the.
It was fine, and then it stopped working again.
It was like this. It was not
It's
luxury.
a scam. This shit's a scam. All right, so you like the other than the Bronco, of the cars, which one do you like? You haven't really been in a lot of the cars, because I feel like a lot of the new cars I haven't even driven myself.
I haven't been in any of the new Porsches.
Yeah, no, well, I haven't even been in the new Porsches. So.
Skyline's pretty cool, but it's cool. It's not like my favorite car though. The McLaren, I'd like to take.
You haven't been in the blue Skyline yet.
Yeah, I have.
No, the blue one. I have two Skylines.
Yeah, I've been to the one that was at our house, the blue one.
Yeah, that was I got rid of that one. I got a new blue one.
We
got rid of that blue one. I got another blue one. Different blue ones.
Okay.
All right, Nasdaq kind of sitting here below the VWAP. Man, Apple is just on a tear right now. Apple up to the 232s, still breaking out. Broke out of the opening range high on Apple. QQQ just kind of flat there. I think there might be another long opportunity here. Another long, maybe? We got to get through that VWAP, though. We'll get through the VWAP here, right? We'll get through the VWAP. We kind of build out of a flag, maybe. We push up to the top of that range and then pull back and then get that rip. That would be the ideal play. The safer bet, I mean, you could maybe take a long here at the 80s for that kind of to play out. Maybe. Kind of looking like maybe there's a long here. This little, like, mini bull flag. If this thing dips down and bounces off the EMAs and then rips back up, I might be looking for a long there. So they said they told Chad to stop flexing your guns. Stop flexing them. Don't flex so much.
I can't help when I flex.
You're a flexer. She's a flexer. I mean, it's just hard to get long right there into the VWAP, but it should take out 90s here pretty quickly. Fuck, there's this. Oh, trying to take out those highs there, or the.
Was that not enough
top of those
pullback?
candles.
You wanted more?
I was hoping for like a push down there to the 70s and then the long maybe, but don't always get your wishes. We got some big buyers stepping up here. There's some bigger buyers at like the 80s right now. Someone says we need a cardboard cutout of when you're not here. We can sell it online. Victoria's cardboard cutout.
Yeah, how much would it go for online? How much would you
what
sell?
is a piece of cardboard with?
No. A cardboard cutout of me, not just a piece of cardboard.
Mike Jamali, are you worried about buying into the VWAP? Yes, Mike. That's why I did not buy. I'm currently flat. No trade open right now. Flat. Like I said, don't want to buy into that VWAP right there.
You know what you need to have? Somebody to just read what's important in the chat and ask you questions.
Oh, that you could do that.
Yeah,
that could be your new job.
I could just read what's
My
important.
account. Look at Honolulu.
Oh, I miss it.
Miss it too. Honolulu. 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 That's Sand Island where the cars came in. Someone said if we sell the cardboard, some freaky shit's gonna be happening.
Okay.
Uh-oh. No freaky shit.
I did not approve of this idea, by the way.
All right, no cardboard. What about a cardboard cutout of me? Now that could be cool.
Who wants that?
What? I think a lot of people would want that. Put it like up, you know, like you
what
could
do
put
they
it in
do
your.
with it?
You could put it in your trading, your trading
So
area.
Patrick's always watching?
Yeah, like that. You know, when you're trading, you have a cardboard cutout of me next to you.
Okay.
You know.
It'll be my emotional support cardboard cutout. I'll bring it to work with me.
Yeah, you could have a cardboard cutout of me. All right, so we. Yeah, I'm gonna get a cardboard cutout. I'm gonna put it at Pyra at the front door. They'll think it's a security guard.
I have your little Polaroid picture of Pyra.
Yeah, it's not very good. It's like dark. Can't even see my face.
Well, if you came back.
Your other boyfriend goes there, you won't even be able to see my face.
If you came more often.
All right, we're at the bottom of the opening range here again. We're back below those EMAs. Do we get some continuation to the downside now? Got stuck up there below. Well, we got stuck below the VWAP. It's just like, this is like a shitty spot here. That last candle dumped straight down. Now we're like pushing back up here again. It's Monday. Choppy Mondays. Choppy Mondays. I want to see like maybe there's a short setup here. Like if we start to dump through there, kind of into those low 730s. Well, there's a short setup. Kind of like have to chase it now. I'll try the shorts. Trying the shorts, put my shorts on. Oh God. It's always fun when you short and it pops right back up like that. Gotta always love that.
Scary.
Yeah. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chopping. This music's. Oh, Apple dumped as well. Apple dumped from the 233s back to the 231s or 231.50s. See if that's going to continue down here. Just holding up at the bottom of the range right now. Probably going to get stopped here. Chop around some more. Got some sellers stacked up at like 75s again. Might be all right. We might be all right. We just need some continuation. Holding 50% of that dump candle there as well. So the fair value gaps. We're on the 1 minute chart right now. Looking at the 1 minute chart, we got the EMAs on there. 9 EMA, 21 EMA. Just kind of chopping around here. Targeting these lows down there to the 730s or more. Just needs to get gone. Got a big buyer at 65s. What the fuck? 20 contracts keeps popping up. Get rid of that 65s. Sell through the 65s here. Dump it down. Dump it down, Junior. Don't like that. Might get out at 74s. There's a seller at 74s. If we lose that 74 seller, I'm just gonna jump out. Can always re-enter. I am short right now, everybody. Everyone in the chat asked me what I'm doing. Look at the fucking screen, boys. Patrick, what are you doing? Are you long? Are you short? What are you doing? What are you doing, Patrick? Looking for this possible dump to the downside, but fuck, I don't know. I'm just a guy on the internet, man. I have no idea what I'm doing here, people. I just wake up in the morning and flip a coin. Still sellers stacked up at 74s, but they're about to get taken out. Some aggression back up here now. The 74 is holding. 74 is selling. Oh, he gone. We're going to move through 74s now, or is that just a big iceberg? Trouble, trouble, trouble again. That 74 level still holding, so pretty much just got my stop right there at 75s. Fuck it. Yeah, I'll even add, if we get a dump candle here through the lows, I might add into this as well. She's smoking hot. She's just here to grace us with her beauty. She had a little freedom this morning from her normal schedule of working.
I needed a break.
What are you looking forward to the next few months? What's your favorite holiday? Christmas time, or I guess you're Canadian, so you don't really have Thanksgiving.
You don't know my favorite holiday?
How would I know your favorite holiday?
What do you think my favorite holiday
Your birthday.
No, it's not a holiday. Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Christmas is your favorite holiday?
Yeah.
Probably. I don't know. You probably told me that.
I love like all the goodies and the festivities. And
you definitely love the festivities.
And the presents.
Festivities. All right, looking to see if we're going to sell through here. It's really anyone's guess.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday? Shit. Tax day, baby. Tax day.
Christmas too, babe.
Patrick, you're a sentimental trader. You make purchases and sales in minutes, and you think you're a mentor. What you do is follow the price action. You're right. Amen, brother. What I would do, PBM, if I was you, I would definitely not watch this stream. Whatever I would do if I was you, I would stay far away from this stream. If I was you, I would do anything but watch this stream, okay? Like, I would make sure you avoid this stream at all cost. You know, because all we do here is just buy and sell, and we have no idea what we're doing. So I would make sure you avoid it. Don't waste any of your life watching this stream. Make sure you avoid it. This music right now is going hard.
It's like Hillary Duff or something.
That was Hillary Duff's greatest classics. All right, well, Nasdaq did not want to go lower. For now, just holding up there at the lows, chopping around here some more. Classic. Just so very classic. Big sellers at the 81, 80s again. If we get through the 80s, start ripping back up here now. There's those 80s sellers got taken out. Market is going nowhere quickly. What happened to trades by Matt? I think he just got sick or something. I don't know. Even when I'm sick, I'm here, chat. No matter what, I could literally be dying and I'd still be coming to the BDH. Victor, wouldn't I? Tell him I wouldn't.
Yes,
if I was like on my, if the doctor was like, Patrick, you're gonna die in 5 days, I'd be like, all right, I gotta go to the BDH and I gotta run it out, boys. We gotta run it out.
You're not wrong.
Not wrong. See, she knows.
I don't agree with it, but you're not.
Yeah, but I'm not wrong.
You're not wrong.
That's all that matters. I'm not wrong. All right now the Nasdaq going absolutely fucking nowhere. God.
It's really cold.
What?
It's freezing.
What?
It's freezing in here.
I mean, you don't have to whisper.
It's freezing in here.
Yeah, you can talk. Like,
Yeah, I know.
Like we're live. You just talk about whatever. You gotta go to the bathroom.
No, I already went.
If you got to, just let me know.
I already went. Did you not see when I left like 5 minutes
If you gotta go to the bathroom, you let me know. All right, Apple is dumping down. ES, Nasdaq just holding up here, going nowhere quickly. Good Lord, Nasdaq. Absolutely, just good Lord, Jesus, baby Jesus. Chop City here.
I like the new shelf.
A new shelf. We got a new shelf there. Got all the new goodies here.
Have you opened the Trump vodka, or are you saving that? 'Cause it's a collector's item, right?
Gonna save that forever. Trump vodka. I don't think there's any point in drinking it. Let's get off the 1 minute chart here. Look at the 5 minute chart. What's the 5 minute chart looking like? Okay. Nothing right now. That's what it's looking like. Nothing right now. This is gonna be like a, I don't know. It's not a very good looking bear flag. Not a very good looking bear flag. Kind of like almost like a inverted head and shoulders type move. Little balls, dick and balls.
Where's the dick?
That little thing right there. That's my issue. I got elephantitis balls with a little tiny dick.
Stop saying that.
It's the truth.
Stop lying.
People think that I'm like talking about it's a real
lying
case.
to everybody.
Elephantitis is real.
And you don't
I could have it. I could.
Don't have
I
it.
could though. My balls are really big. I don't know. I've looked it up on Google.
You're making me shake the desk.
I sent a photo of my balls to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT said that there is a chance that I have elephantitis.
You did not send a photo of you.
Yes, I asked the AI.
No, you didn't.
I said, ChatGPT, what are the odds that I have elephantitis? And it said it is not impossible.
No.
It's a very low chance, but there is a chance. It's a real thing. People think I'm lying right now, but I'm serious. Any issues you have in life, just send a picture to ChatGPT and say, "Hey, look, what's this?" And it'll tell you, "Nope, you're fucked. You're definitely gonna die." Oh shit. Hey, look, the balls are working. The elephant, we gotta get through the VWAP here. VWAP at the 90s, get through there. Anything's possible, you know what I mean? Anything, pretty much, when you think about it. Like when you really think about trading in general, like anything is possible. You know that? People be thinking that like, you know, you gotta like, you know, like, you know, trading's like, you gotta be hard to be trading, but like, you know, really like trading can just be whatever you want to be. Damn, someone said this is the SDH. Victoria confirmed. You confirmed?
What's SDH?
Small dick house.
Oh.
No, you said my ball. You said
No,
about my
I did
balls,
not.
my
I said
dick.
stop lying to them.
Yeah, about my balls, not my dick size. Big difference, chat. Big difference. Elvantitis confirmed. All right, Nasdaq back up there above the fucking VWAP again. ES trying to push up. This market is just holding on for dear life. Market is just holding on for dear life right now. What's it like living with Patrick Wieland?
What's it like living with you?
Yeah, is it like, would people be surprised or like, I guess people always think that, you know, they watch me on YouTube and they get this idea of, you know, what I'm like. Mm-hmm. What am I really like?
Hyper focused on a million things at once.
Wow.
Brain is always running a million miles an hour. I don't know. Everything that you present on live stream, when you're not on live stream in front of camera, it's just going on in your brain.
Yeah.
So it's like
the live stream, my brain is just like
so when
talking.
You're not on
Holy
camera.
Shit, there's a big buyer, the 89s, 50 buyers, 50 at the 89. Someone's trying to get long here.
When you're not on camera, you don't talk as much, or at all.
I tell people that all the time. I don't really like talking to people. I'm an artist, okay? Let my art speak for myself. There's that push back above the 800s again. So much for the short all day comment. Where'd that guy go? Fucking A, this thing's gonna rip. It's gonna start ripping, watch. It's gonna rip. Absolutely fucking rip here. I don't know about absolutely, but I think 820s, got a pivot point to the upside there, 833s. Yep, see, I told you. I just told you it was gonna rip, chat. I just said it was going to rip. Why is everybody not long right here? I like my 10 points. Look at that. Boner candles for days. I'll tell you one thing, Victoria. I can see a boner candle from a mile away. You know, like back in the day, they had the people that like, they would pay people to find the water.
They would? I don't know,
like the people that have the sticks and they go out and they try to find the water in the...
Oh, like with the...
the sticks. You know those people? You don't know those people. Yes. That's me, but I do it for boner candles. I knew that there was going to be a boner candle right there. I fucking knew it. Look at that. From the 800s up there to the 823s, still going higher. My stick is going wild right now. There is water here. There is water, boys. Let her ride. Let her ride. Oh my God.
You make me laugh too much, Jake.
That 5-minute chart. Look at that 5-minute fucking chart right here. Oh my God. Like, who would have guessed? I mean, who the fuck would have, if like 20 minutes ago, who would have said that we would have a 5-minute candle go from 84s to the 820s? Nobody. Nobody would have saw it. Evolt Financial Group. Are you long? Are you fucking retarded? Guys asked if I'm long. I'm asking, are you retarded? That's what I want to know. You know? I got long at 803s, out at the 14s. You're a little late to ask if I'm still long, baby. I only last 10 seconds. I'm in, I'm out. Quick. Your background music's too loud. Okay, sorry. No more background music. We got a seller at the 820s, a little bit size. But wow, Nasdaq really doing something here. What was it like fishing in Hawaii? Catching a marlin. What was it like fighting a blue marlin? Miss Professional Blue Marlin Fisherman?
It was good. It was fun.
That's all. Wow, great story.
Okay, fine.
Tell
What
us
was it
about
like fishing every day in Hawaii? Honestly, the biggest challenge is the mental game, being out there for 12 hours, not catching anything day after day after day.
Not day after day after day.
And Trust Baby won 2 tournaments. Obviously, it caught fish. There was some huge fish to be caught. But when you're not catching anything, mentally, it is like
The grind.
It is the hardest thing. But actually catching it, it's pretty cool sitting in the chair.
I might be looking for a long here.
That's the end of my story.
If we get above that 21s, I would like to maybe even add into this. So like, I'll go 5 contracts long above 21s. There's a seller sitting there at 21s. I feel like if we get above that 20 level, there's a pivot point up, like a quick maybe 10, 20 points through there. I don't know why. There's just a seller sitting there like holding it down right now. If you're long from the low, congratulations. You fuck it. You amazing. Like, I love when people come to the chat and be like, Patrick, I got long. I'm long already from 738. Why are you not already long? Well, congratulations. Congratulations. Wow. Congratulations. You fucking got long. Geniuses in the chat. All right. I like this little dip down here. Let it dip down some more. Maybe we dip down and kind of give me a little tap on that EMA down there. ES, Nasdaq, everything kind of dipping down here. Can you teach me the DOM? I can't teach you nothing, people. I don't know nothing. I don't do nothing.
What's
I'm
the
just
DOM?
here for what?
What's the DOM?
You don't know what the DOM is? The dominatrix? He wants me to dominate him. He said, "Teach me the DOM," and I said, "Well, I'm not a dominatrix.
You're not licensed to teach it?
I'm not a licensed dominatrix." Well, good thing we did not get long. You know, good thing that was smart. And this is why we don't just get long. True story.
That is a true story.
It's all about being strategic. People don't understand. You got to be strategic. If you're gonna get long, you got to know when to get long and when not to get long.
Paul Robertson, thank you. But if Patrick doesn't cut me off, I'll just sit here rambling, talking about nothing.
Yeah, I didn't cut you off in a mean way. I cut you off in a nice way.
Yep.
Kind of like I knew that story that you were talking about just wasn't going to go anywhere.
Exactly.
On to the next story. Femdom. I'm going to be maybe I could be a financial dom. I get all the boys to tip me. Yeah, leave me tips.
You ever watched The House of Cards?
Yeah, a little bit.
He was like that guy that got dommed.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of like in Billions too. You got that one dominatrix that like whips them and shit. Oh my God.
Oh no, I'm thinking about that. Never mind. I'm thinking about Billions.
All the way back down now. Okay. Fucking hey, dude.
No, I'm thinking about both.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah.
Okay, well. The unclaimed king. That's what's up. Comes here for the financial dom. Donate to me, you sips. Donate.
You know what? I think you could tap into something really good there. If you want to sell something that nobody else is selling.
Financial dominism?
You say, hold, and you have a whip in your hand. Buy. And like, it's like a sexual financial thing.
But I tell them I tell them when to buy and sell, but I make them lose.
Oh, because they like
it.
that. It's like
they like the losing.
Yeah, they like that.
I
Okay.
mean, some people do like to lose.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, it's like people would about like you don't feel alive unless you're losing.
So
you know?
if anybody wants to lose and wants to spend $10,000 for 30 minutes of Patrick's financial dominatrix session,
here comes my favorite setup ever on the 3-minute chart. What setup is that? The chop setup? Yeah, that Tori Trade's already doing that. She's already offering the Dom service. She's got all her Sims paying $5,000 to learn how to trade from her.
To lose.
Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Good thing I brought Victoria today because this is the only entertainment we're going to get. This market ain't going to give us no entertainment. We've just basically gone nowhere since open. It's really hard to do much here. That 15-minute candle, I got excited for a minute. I thought we might do something, but JK. I'm just really happy I did not get long there. That would have been not a good spot to get. Well, clearly not a good spot to get long now. Is this going to is this going to be a short here or are we just going to chop back up? How did we guys meet like everybody else meets on the internet. Farmersonly.com.
Yeah.
Yep. No, it was Canadiansonly.com.
Yeah, you were looking for your Canadian.
Yeah, like hey, I want to find a Canadian that says A.
I know you were looking at hot Polish girls the other
Victoria
day, but
says
I
A.
wasn't on there, and I am 90% Polish.
You could go to Poland. You could be a hot. You're a hot Poland girl.
Yeah, I don't know why you weren't talking about me.
I mean, I'm just saying. You
Oh
know,
wait, my eyes aren't blue, and my hair's not naturally blonde. Wow.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
Honey, there's nobody hotter than you. Don't worry. 780s, big buyer there again. If you're seeing this right now, well, I can't. He's gone now. Let's see if he pops back up. This is I'm looking at just level 1 on the DOM right now. There has been some buyers kind of flashing size, but they're not there no more, clearly. See, normally, like on the book, you'll have like orders for, you know, showing like 5 to 7, you know, 6 orders there. But like here's a 37. Like, look at that guy. 74 is just kind of sitting there, and those orders are stacking up. And I've been seeing these like big orders just kind of sitting there on the book. But it's going both ways, both long and short, honestly. There's been some big sellers stacking up. Like there's those sellers again. So just kind of that chop zone. Markets, I guess the bigger players are loading up maybe for this week action. I don't know. Why did I stop using Bookmap? I went to Hawaii and I didn't use it for a few months, and then I kind of was like, do I really need to, you know? So I kind of, that was the question. After not using Bookmap for a few months, I kind of asked myself like, hey, you know, should I continue using it?
I'm gonna get a beverage.
I think sometimes the Bookmap just ends up being it just ends up being too much noise, right? Like I would be in a trade and I'd be looking at the Bookmap and I'd be like, oh, look at that. There's all that liquidity, you know? And then I would be like, oh, I lost all the liquidity. So I don't know. It's better to kind of just focus on what's in front of me than try to focus on a million different things at once. I mean, in theory, this would be a short setup right here, right? If we weren't chopping, you want to try it? I don't know. Maybe not. We're below the EMAs. We're below the VWAP. But I mean, everything's just flat right now. Everything is fucking flat here. QQQ kind of looking like it wants to turn back up again. Why does the 5-minute chart on the QQQ look like that? 5-minute chart on the Nasdaq. If we get back above that 790s again, could try to push back up. VWAP right now 790s. Watching here. Someone said don't go short. I'm long, so if anything, you go long too. Okay. Sounds good, chat. Look at the 15-minute chart. Okay. Oh my God, look at it. Look at that 15-minute chart. It don't look very nice. I do feel like there's a short setup here though. Fucking A. It's either gonna like start to really roll here or just chop around forever at the 780s. $1 million question. The 1 hour candle right now, not really doing much. Fuck, I might have to go short. Do I try the shorts here below the EMAs, below the VWAP? If you were a mechanical trader, you would just go short here. Just saw the sheer fact that we're below those EMAs and everything right now, but fucking A. Now I'm gonna get a terrible entry. Trying to chase this lower, but let's do it. Looking for a break below the 770s. I'm not going to hold for a very big move here just because how choppy it is today. So, let's see if we can keep the green rolling. Don Fron, what's going on? I don't know, man. What's going on with you, dog? What's up? What's up? Have you chose 2 girls that are going to battle out of the BDH yet? I have not chosen. I don't know if they exist. I don't know if they exist, honestly. See, now the ES is ripped back up. What the fuck? Can you please increase your volume? My volume? Like my microphone volume? Mic check, mic check. How do girls apply? Send pictures to Patrick Wieland.
No,
at yahoo.com.
that's literally what's happening though. You got
Send
your
full
own
nudes.
little
Full
thing going
nudes
on
only.
right now.
Got to I made Alex and Greg send nudes too, so don't worry. We're not being sexist around here.
People want to know my first impression of you. I actually have a really good one because I remember exactly what my first impression of Patrick
Let's wait for me
was.
to lock in this profit here.
All right.
And then we'll talk about
That
your
will
first
determine-
impression with me.
It'll determine what I say if you're green or red on this.
Come on, give me a little wick straight down there. Hit that 60 area again. Nope. Oh, God. Teasing. Just the tip. Just the tip. Just the tip. Oh. Oh, God, it hurts.
Patrick.
Give me the fill. Give me the fill. Give me the fill, Philly. Philly Jr. Junior Phil. Ooh. Dude, what happened? Where'd the guy go that said I only lose when he watches me? You know what happened?
He left.
He probably left.
Yeah.
He fucking left. I guarantee
He
you. He
couldn't
was
win.
like,
He couldn't lose his winning
he's like,
streak.
I ain't gonna watch this guy because every time I watch him, he loses. So, thank God he left. All right, nice little move there. We took a short from the 74s down there to the 62s. Today is not the day to look for big winners. Today is the day to lock in that 10, 20 point profit. You know, even a broken clock is right twice a day. Today we were right a couple times. I'm not perfect, right, Victoria? Right? I'm not perfect.
Is it a question?
Yeah, it's a question. Oh yeah, tell the chat about your first impression when you met me. Because like you didn't even really you didn't know I was a YouTuber or anything.
No, I knew nothing about you. So obviously I was single and I was on. We met
Well,
on.
that's good thing you were single.
We met on Raya, but I wasn't the type of person to text for months.
If
We
you're wondering what
texted for,
Raya is, it's an app
a
for
dating
rich
app.
and famous people.
So we texted for 2 days, and we are obviously going to meet up because I wasn't going to waste my time. And he wanted me to go on his boat, and I was like, nah, I'm not just going to meet this random guy at his house.
Fuck yeah, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, fuck yeah, you were.
And we met at this local restaurant, and I showed up 5 minutes before him, I guess. And he had this huge lifted truck
I knew what
at
I
the
was
time.
doing. I was showing up at the right time, so that way you'd be watching
No,
me pull
just
up in
funny
my big
because
ass truck.
We've gone over this before, and it's just in his head, he's like, I'm going to show up in my big truck. And it scared me. I was like, who the F is this guy? I'm like, what did I
is
get
this truck
myself
so
into?
big?
He had blonde frosted hair at the time. Oh my God. I saw him walking towards me, and I was like, all right, I'll just let's just get through this date. I didn't have high hopes at the time, but then when we sat down,
Well, we didn't really talk. To be honest, we didn't talk at all.
There was no texting
We were
before
like,
this.
let's just meet up.
Yeah, exactly. So
I
I'm
was like,
talking.
come to my house, and you're
Basically,
like, no.
this is my first impression of you as a human being ever,
Yeah.
really, because we didn't text about anything. And when you sat down, you're like, "Do you have a dog?" I'm like, "No." And you're like, "Okay, that works." And you're like, "All right." What
I
you
did
say?
say that. I was like,
"Oh,
"You
is
have
your
a
work
dog?"
flexible or whatever?" I was a realtor time. I'm like, "Yeah, my work's flexible." You're like, "Okay, that works." I was like, "Okay, this guy knows what he
I also
wants."
said, hey, I'm like, I'm not looking for a girlfriend.
Oh yeah. Then once we get on the boat, so obviously that went well enough. He's like, I'm not looking for a girlfriend. I'm like, I'm not looking for a boyfriend. He's like, cool. He's like, I got a kid. I'm like, all right. Like,
Did I say that first day?
Yeah,
first
first day.
date. Damn, I must have been drunk.
and I was like,
Normally
cool.
it's like a third date.
So we hung out like a
conversation.
couple times, but I never texted him and he never texted me, and we didn't really want to talk to each
Who
other.
texted first?
So we
Like
had
after that first
planned.
date?
We hung out twice in that week, or like 1 week back to back.
Yeah.
And then we were planning to go to dinner, and then I canceled on dinner because I was sick, and then we just didn't text for a few weeks. And then in a few weeks, I did text you back. I said, hey, what's up? And then you were like, oh, I'm back in Orlando. And then the rest is history after that when I came back.
Fucking history, boys. All right, the Nasdaq just kind of chopping around down here at the 60s. She tells a story that way. I think it went a little different. I think it was like the part where she walked into my house and all I had was
2
all I
beanbag
had
chairs.
was the what are those things?
Well, I didn't tell you the part.
The beanbags.
We go. All he has is 2 beanbag chairs, nothing else. Like
She walks into my house, and the only furniture in the house, because I wasn't living in the house at the time, I only had the beanbags, and I was still living in Orlando, and I had the boat. Is I had two big beanbags. That was the only thing.
Yeah,
And
that's
TV.
it.
Was there a TV yet?
Yeah, there was a TV.
A TV and 2 big beanbags. There was a
And-
part. We were partying in there.
What was it? What was I saying? You were just like so determined to like not want a girlfriend, and then like our 4th, 5th date, I was in Orlando, and you're like,
Oh God.
So like, are you like emotionally available?
I mean, I was just like trying to figure out.
And
Like,
I was like, wait, so are you asking me like, am I open to being a girlfriend? Your girlfriend? Oh, Ginger.
that's not how it went.
Yeah, it is.
That's not how it went. That's not how it went, chat. Women always remember things differently.
Who did you have any other prospects at the time?
We all had. Everybody's got prospects. Don't act like you didn't have no prospects either.
No, because nobody was you, honey. So none of them were in consideration.
There were definitely a few girls that had their hearts broken when they saw that I posted a photo of you at the Dolphins game.
Oh,
Poor bitches. They might be watching the stream right now, actually. Oh,
they're
that's
still
awkward.
obsessed with you.
That's really awkward. They're definitely obsessed with me. Come on now. Nasdaq making new lows here now. Okay. Well, this would definitely look like a head and shoulders play to the downside here now. We didn't really have a very good shoulder, but there's that move down. 750s now. We took a short there earlier at the 774s. She's just kind of grinding lower. The only problem is, look at the ES. The ES is going nowhere right now. So I'm not getting too excited about this move right now, to be honest. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, that's just the way I look at it. I ain't looking like I'm getting too excited here right now. So Raider for Life said that was so embarrassing for Patrick. What does that mean?
what was embarrassing about
embarrassing?
that?
What's he talking about? Clearly, Raider for Life never touched a woman in his life.
That was okay. Yeah, like because he doesn't even have a story about meeting a
Raider
woman
for
before.
Life. It's actually no. He's never touched a woman for life.
No, it's like, I don't know what
Only
it's
thing
like.
I touch is my pillow every night. Fucking pillow's crusty and all fucking
Probably.
looking all nasty. You know them Raider fans. Oh man.
Mentorship to get girlfriend. Yeah,
I already
I'll
told y'all
teach-
how to get a girlfriend.
I'll teach the mentorship.
I know.
though.
I already told them how to get a girlfriend. You gotta
guys,
treat them mean and keep them keen, boys.
I watched this and I've heard his advice to you guys.
Yeah, it's good advice.
It's good financial advice.
No, it's good dating advice. Never let them know. Never let them know your next move. Well, Nasdaq back down there to the lows now, 740. She's still going lower. Exactly. Don't ask a fish how to catch fish. True story. Well, if the Nasdaq takes out this low here, what do we get next? Look at the ES Nasdaq. Everything's now dumping. I might actually take like a crazy long here. Just trying to play into this chop here. Let's see. I just want to see how low this can get. I'm gonna like go one contract here and then try to like add maybe like here
Along?
and here. Yeah. I'm gonna be a range trader today. I'm gonna try to range trader today.
Okay.
I'm range trading today. I'm changing up my whole entire strategy.
Why would I ever doubt you, honey?
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't.
I would not doubt me.
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't doubt me.
I don't.
All right, I'll move this down a little bit now. Range trading. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah. It's working beautifully. My plan is working absolutely beautiful right now. My plan is working. Don't panic, chat. Don't panic. Don't panic. Do not panic. By the end of this trade, I will have a girlfriend. More than Raider for life I will ever have.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Someone said I'm not trading my usual strategy. Well, you know, sometimes it's good to have a little bit of fun in life. You know, I like to live dangerously sometimes. I like to try things differently. I like to, you know, experience life to the fullest. You know, like, are you even living without experiencing death? You know, like this morning when I was riding the foil, I could have died.
Oh, like living on the edge.
There was a shark. There was a shark. The shark could have eaten me. And that's the only way I'm ever going to feel alive.
So
is if I feel death.
An adrenaline
This
seeker.
morning, yes. It was scary. I was scared. I was like, oh my God, that shark's going to eat me. But I didn't get eaten.
I'm so glad.
No shark eating me. If you didn't see what I'm talking about, look at this. Look at this. There's a shark under the water there. He's chasing after me. True story. I'm not even lying right now. Y'all think I'm lying, but I'm serious. It really did happen. Out in the middle of the ocean, just flying around in my little e-foil. Just loving life, you know, enjoying life. Just loving it. Oh, what happened to the trade? Oh, yeah, it's still going up. Okay. That's not AI. How the fuck would that be AI?
Who said it's AI?
Someone said it's AI. People always say that. Like, this
The
isn't real.
Inner Edge Trading said it's AI. Well,
Are those hard to ride? Yeah, they're fucking hard to ride. I'm the best to ever do it, though.
he makes it look easy.
I can do it with my eyes closed.
I'm not kidding. He makes a lot of things look easy
Ooh,
that
yeah.
are really hard. I tried e-foiling on one of our like first dates.
I took an e-foil on you. I did. Hey, is this trade working out, chat? I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure this out. Did it work? Let's see if we get filled here at the 47s.
Ooh, winner.
Uh-oh, it's working. Oh my, wow. Look at that. I'm a range trader now, boys. I'm learning. I'm learning how to range trade. Someone said hold for the high of day. Now you're just getting fucking crazy. Patrick, what happened to Tory Trade? She got hot. That ain't Tory Trades. Oh, guys. Oh, what? Oh no, chat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How you feeling right now?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm entertained.
Are you entertained? Is it the
Yes.
same when you're at? Because you watch the live stream sometimes. Look at Clearwater, looking all fucking kinds of beautiful. You watch the live stream sometimes at work.
Yeah.
Is it like the same experience in person, or is it different?
I like it in person because
You like it in person?
I can add like, what can I say? I can control how the conversation's going in
No,
person.
you can't. You can't control shit. Look at that trade. Textbook. Buying the dip, selling the rip, boys. You know how we like to do it. 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink, all day on the Nasdaq. That's our new motto here at the BDH. 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink. Sometimes 2 in the stink, 1 in the pink. Just depends on the day, really. You know what I mean?
Why is that your motto?
Because it's like the Nasdaq just likes it like that. She's freaky. She's a freaky girl.
What's her name?
The Nasdaq?
Mm-hmm.
It's the Nasdaq.
Her name's Nasdaq.
Yeah. What else would her name be?
Nasdaq.
No, Nasdaqwa.
Nasdaq.
Feel like a feminine. Nasdaq. Walmart's up 0.43 cents today. Look at that guy. What if that was your boyfriend?
He would never be my boyfriend.
Look at that boy. Anyone who wears fucking AirPods is gay. True story. There's a lot of things you can do in life, but wearing AirPods live on TV, that's real gay shit. Nazquisa. Nazquisa.
Nikki Dak.
Did I just literally buy the fucking bottom here? Trying to figure out if I did or not. I should have got more long. I wanted maybe a little bit lower, to be honest. I was thinking like 710s would have been the low of day. down there towards that pivot point. If you're wondering why I got long where I did and how I fucking made so much money on that trade, if you're wondering, let's talk about it. Look here at the 15-minute chart. Minute chart. Go across. We definitely got some key support here. This is kind of where we broke out previously, right? That data candle, we broke out from this 720 area. I was kind of looking at as my theory.
Excuse me.
What a move. What an absolute, look at that thing. Still moving back up. Wow. Wow. Could have maybe held that a little longer, I guess. I'm a beginner. All right. I'm still learning how to trade this range stuff. I'm learning. All right. Don't look at me like that. William Bauer said he completely guessed. Hey, did I win or did I not? Did I win or did I not? You know what I mean? Did I win or did I not? You tell me, William Bauer. Also, look at this, William Bauer, you dumb motherfucker. What's that right there? What's that say? What's that say? What's that say, William? Hey, William, what's that? Hey, William, what's that? William, what's that right there? What's the 720s? What's the 720s there, boys? What's the 720s? That's 50% of the opening range, right? Bang. 1. Flip it again. That's 1. And then 2. 50% of the opening range.
Didn't you
right down there, the 720s.
You started doing a lot of that 50% stuff after Ruben came, right? Or were you always doing that? Didn't he have like a whole like style to do with 50%? No. Don't put your hand in your head. When Ruben was here, he talked a lot about how his style of trading was. Don't put your head in your hand. Am I not right? He said something about that kind of stuff. Remind me what he said. Patrick. So you're just not going to talk to me.
All right, well, it's been great having Victoria here. That was fun. Been a great day here so far. We've been trading live on YouTube and
Patrick,
all that. You think that route I got? What are you talking about? God, are you fucking serious?
Okay, what did Ruben say when he was here?
Yes, Ruben talked. But I have videos that go back 5 years ago talking about the 15 fucking minute range. Okay. This setup here, I've been using this fucking indicator before Ruben did. God, I swear to God.
I didn't mean Ruben taught you.
Now you'd be like, look,
I didn't
Ruben's
mean
the
Ruben
reason.
Taught you. I
Ruben
mean, like,
taught me.
I remember hearing about it when he was here.
Let's move on. Let's move on here. God. Wow, didn't you go to Pilates and you learned everything from that one girl? That one girl on the Instagram that did the Pilates, you learned it from her?
I wasn't saying
I saw a girl on Instagram did Pilates, so you must have learned it from her
we're
too.
We're moving on from that.
God. Yes. The 50% of the opening range is a tried and true strategy. Tried and true. Last time Victoria's invited the BDH.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right, we're back into the middle of the 15-minute range here now. What's the play here? What's the play? Victoria on stream every day now. Fuck that. Definitely not happening.
I lost my seat.
Yes, I want Ruben to come teach me. Ruben, please come to the BDH and teach me.
That's not what I was saying.
That's literally what now everybody in the chat is going to be all nonstop trolling me about how Ruben taught me how to trade. So thank you for that.
I didn't say that.
That is exactly what you trade. Thank you for that.
No, guys,
I'm a millionaire and Ruben is not. So I guess I literally learned everything from him.
No.
Thank you for that. That was literally a joke. 23,770 is holding up there. I'm gonna try a little long here just for entertainment purposes. See if we're gonna break up off of the bottom of the opening range here. Now that I'm a range trader, see if it'll break to the upside there now. Ruben taught me everything. Yes. Thank you, Ruben.
You're putting words in my mouth.
No, it's all good. I don't care. Ruben invented the stock market, just like ICT did. Now I'm on tilt. Now I'm on tilt, chat.
Oh boy.
Stopped out there. Did not obviously break the upside. That's why I only went one contract. You know, one contract doesn't hurt as much. Doesn't hurt as much. Doesn't hurt as much. All right, Nasdaq stuck there at the 780s. What do you got going on the rest of the day? You teaching Pilates today?
No, I've got merchandise to organize and I have a meeting with somebody at 3.
Ooh, I gotta get my fingerprints today for my dealer license.
Ooh.
For car dealer. Getting very close to getting my official car dealer license, so I'll be a car salesman.
Where do you get those?
What?
Where do you get those done?
Here. They're coming here and do it. Mobile fingerprinting.
Really?
Crazy, I know. What a world that we're living in, right? You can get fingerprinted mobily. Well, Nasdaq just chopping around again, back there 770s, back up one more time, breaking out to the upside. What kind of cars am I selling? $1 million cars, hopefully. The goal is to find older Lamborghinis, Ferraris, stuff like that, redo them, spend a little money on them, make them better. Older cars, basically. Ben the Sniper said, I told you don't take a trade, Patrick. You're too stubborn. God. I love that, like, there's people in the chat that literally think that, like, that I'm sitting here reading the things that they say and they're like, Patrick, don't trade anymore. And then I'm like, okay. Somebody in the chat told me don't trade anymore. So now I'm not going to trade anymore today.
But you can't actually look at those and
Well,
like,
I know, but I'm just like laughing because they think that, like, they literally, like, they're in the chat and they're typing these things and they're like, Patrick, I told you not to trade anymore today and you still did. Why did you not listen to me, Patrick? Why did you not listen to me? All
right, well, I'm gonna go.
What?
I said I'll head out.
You can't head out yet. It's 11 o'clock, actually. You could head out. But now it's going to be awkward.
Yeah, because you yelled at me thinking I was saying something I wasn't saying.
I didn't yell at you.
I said when Ruben was here, weren't you talking about that when Ruben was here?
This is going to turn into... The chat is now going to be like for the rest of my life.
About it.
All I'm going to listen to is the chat talking about how Victoria said I learned all this stuff from Ruben.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
You got to remember, you give them a little bit and they fucking turn it into a big thing.
I bet you more people are going to stick up for me now. And
yeah, now they are. Now you're going to make me look even worse. So now I get it both ways.
No,
so now I'm an asshole because I told my girlfriend.
You're making this
you know what
a
I mean?
situation.
Now it's either, no matter what, I can't win here. That's the best part, is no matter what, either way, I'm fucked.
Patrick!
God.
Oh, boy.
I want to go e-foiling. I just want to go e-foiling again. I like e-foiling. I want to go e-foiling. Yeah, what would Ruben do?
God.
Hey, Ruben can start his own live stream anytime he wants. It's totally fine with me. We can always compare payouts anytime he wants.
Free Victoria from my prison over here.
We got 1,000 likes here on the stream. That's good. That's nice.
Yeah, that's good. We should have 2,000 though. Almost 5,000 watching. 50% of you like the stream.
It's hard to like. I found out.
Use your finger and go.
Free Victoria. Free Victoria. These women, man. You cannot, they just can't. Can't. What's the chat saying? Victoria, you should mistakenly call him Ruben to mess with his head. See? Why? Yeah, Ruben's definitely banned for life, forever. Sorry, Ruben. Blame her. Oh, man. Well, we got $16 so far. Anybody else want to go? Well, Nasdaq going nowhere right now. We're just holding right here at the opening range low right now, which is funny because that's exactly where the market fucking opened up at this morning. It went straight to the moon. It pulled back, chop, pushed to the highs, pulled back there again. We are now continuing to chop here some more. So today looks like a non-movement day. The market is not going to fucking move today. Good day to just, you know, not trade, I guess.
By the way, if people actually think we're fighting, that's funny.
Oh, we're fighting.
Oh, yeah.
It's fucking on like
yeah.
Donkey Kong. I'm going to take you home and spank you, girl.
I'm in trouble.
I'm going to spank you silly. I know what I'm doing after this.
What are you doing?
Going Chipotle.
What's your order at Chipotle these days?
Steak. I don't know. Actually, I haven't been eating Chipotle that much lately.
No, yeah.
I've been skipping Chipotle for lunch. Been trying to lose a little weight. I'm going to be single here pretty soon, so I got to lose some weight.
Patrick.
You're going to leave me for Ruben.
Oh, God.
Everybody's going to leave me for Ruben. I'm going to be alone. My stream's going to go downhill. Before I know it, I'm going to be like Trades by Matt, have 5 viewers left.
Oh, my goodness.
5 viewers left. Everyone's leaving.
I guess I'm never coming back, you
The
guys.
BDH is gone. It's over. There's no coming back from this. Hey, Randy Diaz, you're a real estate agent, bro. Keep being a fucking loser. Get out of here. My ego's not broken. Yours is broken forever because you sell real estate.
Thanks, Maria. I'm gonna go get Starbucks after this.
$25 for Maria. She's been trying to get in on this action. Maria, where's your jewelry store at? What's up? We gotta find out what's going on with Maria.
I don't think people understand that being with you is like the best medicine because I'm always laughing and smiling. People are like, how do you deal with this every day? I'm like, it's the best. Like people like don't laugh and smile as much as I laugh and smile. And it's great.
Oh, trust me. They're laughing and smiling right now. They are laughing and smiling right now. They are actually like everyone is laughing and smiling at the same time right now. Actually,
good.
They are all laughing.
It's the best.
They're not
medicine.
laughing with me. They're laughing with you. God, Tory Trades was my arch enemy, and now you're my new arch enemy. No. Victoria L Trades. I will take down this bitch. Yes. Oh man. Now the best part is not only is the market not moving. Now I get the awkwardness of just nothing happening.
Oh, you're awkward around me, honey.
The unclaimed king says he's gonna buy you a Reuben sandwich. Oh God. I don't know what time's the fucking fingerprints at? 12:30. God damn it. I gotta be here till 12:30. Trying to do something with my life today. I gotta get the jet ski ready. I gotta get the jet ski ready for the hurricane. We got a hurricane swell coming. Must be some big waves this week. Must be some good waves. Well, should be some big swell. I don't know if it'd be waves or not, but we're gonna see. 11 o'clock, market just holding here at the bottom of the opening range low right now. We dipped down there to the 720s. We took a long at the 720s, took profit into that push back up into the opening range, and now we got to see what happens next. Everybody keeps asking about if you can come hang at the BDH. No one's coming to the BDH ever again. We're going back to the old days where it's just me. And that way only I can talk and only I can say things, okay? And then nobody can talk anymore. Only me. Juno is probably going to be firing. Fuck, I know Juno's just a bit of a mission from here, though. I'll probably go just like, honestly, like Boca. Like, I think the Boca Inlet could be just fun for foiling. Juno's going to be like, I don't know. We'll have to see. It really depends on how big the swell is. Oh, God.
I think I'm going to go grab lunch after this.
What you going to eat?
I feel like a big lunch. Like, I feel like
Closer to the mic.
I feel like eggs, toast, sausage,
Eggs, toast?
coffee,
For lunch?
hash browns. Like, I want like a big
That's
old
breakfast.
I want breakfast.
You're describing breakfast right
I
now.
want breakfast.
No, I don't want none of that. We got Trump welcoming Zelensky to to DC at 1 p.m. Eastern. Fucking A. I mean, the market is going absolutely nowhere. There's just not much to do, really. What are you going to do here? What are you going to, what are you going to do? I don't know, man. Put some music on. Like this song? Or no? It's not it. Well, Nasdaq is continuing to hold here at the 760, 770 level, going nowhere quickly. On my charts right now, what do we got? We'll break it down since we got some time. We got the EMA, the blue line, the 21. We got the VWAP, the white line. We've got the opening range set up, and then the EMA, the 9, and then the pivot points. It don't want to go up. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. PW, can you talk about 3 inches at 100 miles an hour again? Whew. That's an age-old story. An age-old secret that most never will know. You know about that?
I've heard you mention that one before.
That's my go-to. You know, someone says how big their dick is. I say, well, 3 inches at 100 miles an hour gets the job done every time, boys. I never had no one complain. Just me. I always win. Right? It's a race.
It's a race.
It's a race. I get to the finish line every time first. Oh my God. You know what's so shitty is you spend all weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you get all excited for the stock market to open at 9:30 on Monday, and then this is what you get to experience. Nothing. Nothingness. Just absolutely nothingness.
Well, I had fun.
Favorite date spot?
I don't know. We've been liking this place in South Florida. South Florida. We live in South Florida. Fort Lauderdale. Daniels.
Tell them I sent you. I'm on the VIP list there. They'll give you a little hookup. It's a true story. I'm serious. Don't even mind me. You tell them we're serious.
We are VIP there.
If Patrick be like, Patrick Wieland sent me, they'd be like, oh, you know Patrick Wieland? But then be careful because then they're going to charge you a lot of money.
Yeah, they're not going to tell you the prices.
The only way that you get on the VIP list at a restaurant is if you spend a lot of money. There was a guy the other day that was giving you shit for drinking red wine with a steak or drinking white wine. What an uneducated.
Because I just wanted one glass of wine, and
you're so uneducated and so poor.
I didn't want to decant a whole bottle of red.
You don't even know how to drink red wine. People on the internet be crazy. They'd be crazy.
It's like, I just like white wine too. It's like, who gives a crap?
I mean, who cares if you fucking want to drink purple wine or pink wine
Literally.
or whatever wine? Drink whatever you fucking want. Someone on the internet always gotta say something. All right, Nasdaq down here again. I mean, there's not much to do really at this point. Just don't add ice to the wine. Depends what wine you're drinking, right?
No,
No wine?
I won't add white ice to a nice glass of wine, but if I buy a normal bottle of wine and it's like room temperature, I'll throw like a cube in it. At home, I would never do it in public or at a restaurant.
Don't do it in public. Someone's gonna see you do it.
Do that.
All right, well, Nasdaq just continuing to chop here. We're just waiting to see if something actually starts to happen. I mean, it's 11:15 right now, 11:13. The chop has been very real all morning long, so just gonna have to wait for something to happen here. Go through my emails and see what we got going on today. Anything good? Ooh, I got an email saying that My Funded Futures is having a one-on-one time with My Funded Futures in Miami this week. Actually, fuck, I hate going to Miami. Like, who the fuck? Why would anybody do anything in Miami? Why? Like, of all the places, like, they don't live in Florida, so they chose to like come to South Florida and then let's go to Miami.
Because I don't know.
Just like
hotels.
People that don't live in Florida don't know that people that live here don't actually want to go to Miami. Like,
yeah,
personally, I don't want to go to Miami. I live here, and it's like I don't want to fucking go to Miami at 5 o'clock on a Thursday. Like, that sounds like fucking like, what am I even gonna drive
at 5 o'clock?
Yeah, like, what am I gonna drive at 5 o'clock on Thursday? And like, where am I gonna park? It's
kind
a fucking
annoying
nightmare.
That's a Thursday too, because if it was Friday, at least you can like stay a night and then leave the next morning. But like, if you have to drive there and back in the same day,
it's terrible.
Yeah,
terrible. Oh God. I do not like events anyway. Ugh, God. Ugh.
Are you gonna go?
What?
I like events.
You done?
I like events. No, I said, are you gonna go to the Miami thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna go, but I just don't know why.
Why
5 o'clock on a Thursday in Miami? That's like the worst fucking time to go anywhere in South Florida. So that means I gotta leave here at like 3 and then drive, 2 hours sitting in traffic, just fucking wanting to kill myself.
Line. It literally drops you off right there. You can like work and like chill in the Bright Line.
That also sounds terrible.
No, I like the Bright Line.
Everything just sounds terrible. I would rather not do any of that. I don't want to do anything.
I know.
I just want to go to my house and smoke a joint, sit by the pool, look at you in a bikini. That's my life goal right there. More time by the pool, less time in traffic.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
fly to Miami the day before. Bro, I'm in Fort Lauderdale. What?
We're 30 minutes away.
Fly to Miami.
No, we're 45 minutes away.
Patrick, are you trading to are you planning on traveling to the Euro? Maybe. I was actually thinking about going to Dubai sooner than later. Funding Ticks, they live in Dubai, so I thought about maybe going and seeing the guys from Funding Ticks.
That'd
go
be
over
fun.
there, go to Dubai, and then go to Abu Dhabi and go surfing at the new wave pool there.
I like the sound of that.
You've never been to Dubai, have you?
I would like to go.
Oh, you're coming?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna put Victoria
No,
and Jason in
don't.
economy.
I'm not going.
Victoria and Jason get
I'm not
economy
going.
seats. I get first class.
Yeah, well, then you'll just be going with Jason.
No, you're going to sit with Jason.
No,
Jason
no.
needs someone to sit with.
He needs you to sit with
The
honey.
editor needs somebody to sit with
He
him.
needs to bounce ideas off you.
No. Someone says Dubai is not Europe. No shit.
Oh my God.
Did you really just say that? Did someone really just type in the chat? Like, did they just do you think I think that? Does somebody actually think that I think that Dubai is in Europe?
If I went anywhere in Europe right now, I'd want to go to Spain and check out I want to go to Spain and Italy.
I'm trying to go, I'm trying to go Poland. Not for the women, but because
All right, I'm going now.
no, it's not because of the women,
No,
but because
I'm
of
going now.
the security.
No,
They said they had no immigrants there. I don't want to go to other places
you go to Poland, honey.
in
You go to
Europe because of the
You go to
they have
Poland,
the
honey.
immigrants.
You have fun in
I'm trying
Poland.
to stay away from the immigrant parties. Not trying to get stabbed on the streets.
Yeah, okay.
True story. It's a big thing happening. Paris and Germany and stuff.
Last straw.
Nasdaq just chopping back down here to the 750s now. Oh. Stay at the Atlantis Hotel. Where at? In Dubai or in the Bahamas?
Yeah, I'm like the Bahamas one. The one that's just over here.
Yeah. I mean, I guess if you're a range trader, you would get long right here, maybe, right? We got quite the fucking chart here. We got an inverse head and shoulders. We got like another like head and shoulders, and then like we got like another head and shoulders type thing. I don't know. It looks weird. Something looks weird
It's
about
like
this chart.
Popeye's arm.
It's looking weird. It's like the weird.
It's a car.
No, I think it's. Oh, it's like a shark dick. Upside down.
A shark.
Balls and cock. I don't know. This is not financial advice, but I think this is the spot to get long at again. 750s. Based on my technical analysis here.
Freezing.
What?
I'm freezing. I just got shivers.
You're freezing?
Again. Yeah, I'm just finding my place I want to get my food at, and then I'm gonna go.
Oh man.
She's so done up.
Why are you so
with
done with me? You're gonna leave me after this?
Done up with you. I don't know what that means, but I
She's
am
done up with you.
done up. Well, if I knew what that meant.
She seems so done up.
I am so done up. So gosh darn done up. Who's this guy?
The farmer. U.S. farmers are squeezed by the Trump tariffs. China has yet to purchase any new U.S. soybeans this year. They need that soybeans for the tofu. Tofu!
And the soy milk.
What?
And the soy milk.
No, just tofu. Sticky tofu. Crunchy tofu.
I like tofu.
Tofu, love you long time. All right, I keep looking at like different time frames. I keep looking at like every possible. I'm just looking at everything, and I'm like, okay, what do I see? What don't I see? And honestly, it's just not really much to see. Like I don't know. 4-hour chart. It's all kind of the same shit, really. Going nowhere. There's that pushback up here now. So I guess, well, the ES pushing back up. Nasdaq also trying to push back up there now. Explain the 50% of the opening range. Yes. Let me explain the Rubin concepts here.
You're making it worse.
I'm going to explain Rubin concepts from here on out. Okay, look. The Church of Rubin. This is how it works, all right? Very simple idea here. Very simple
You make people not forget. Like, you're the one that just keeps on bringing it up.
Honestly, it's like, hey, it's all good. Let Ruben have his claim to fame. You know, he taught me everything. All right, so basically you have your 15-minute opening range. So the first 15-minute candle, the middle of that opening range is 50% of the opening range, obviously, right? So if this is 100%, well, this is 50%. So once you go here to there, that's 50% move down of the opening range. If you go all the way to number 2, well, that's obviously 100%. But that, again, that's just like 50%, 50%, 50%, 50% of the opening range. So I did not ban Ruben. He's just not in the chat right now. I don't know. He's a full-grown man. Leo V says, why is it that every time I get into a trade, it goes the opposite direction? Leo, this is what I want you to do. For now on, you tell me whenever you get into a trade, all right? You tell me, and then I'll make sure to do the exact opposite. Because if every single time you get into a trade, it goes the exact opposite way, I want to meet you, my friend. I want to meet you.
Thank you, Jose Soto. I was just trying to tell him that he told Ruben about the 15-minute range last time.
Oh.
He schooled him.
Oh, God. Ruben's on another live stream teaching them right now. He's busy. He's out there teaching everybody.
All right. I'm going to go. Well, thanks, everybody. It's been fun. I hope you guys have a very profitable week, and I will probably not see you again soon.
Probably not. It's been fun. Thanks for coming.
Probably not.
Thanks for stopping by.
Okay.
I mean, absolutely just shitty day for trading either way, so not much to really do here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're out of here?
Yeah, I just want to read everybody say bye to me first. I'll
I'll probably hang out for like another 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna just I'll do the fingerprinting stuff, and then see what happens after that. Probably gonna be done trading here very soon.
Peace. Peace. Peace.
Adios.
Adios. Where's my bag? Okay.
What?
Bye. Bye.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Let me slap that booty. Slap that booty live on stream. Get out of here. Slapping the booty. All right. I mean, it's like we're stuck right there below the opening range low now. Is short the play here now? I really don't know. Right back down there again. Right back down there again. Fuck. I guess the short off the opening range low might have been the play, but from the 10 points there. 10 points there real quick. Waiting, watching, looking, hoping, praying. Is there anything left? If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, we have been absolutely crushing it lately here. We had the BDH live stream last week. If you guys have not watched the live stream, you make sure you check it out. Definitely want to check it out there. Or the videos. We had basically like 10 videos behind the scenes at the live stream. It was beautiful, absolutely beautiful, just so beautiful. Really, it was great time. There's a whole playlist where you can go and watch all 10 of the videos. The video from Friday last Friday turned out sick. So there's a link there in the chat if you want to check that out at some point today. Let me know what you think. Right now the Nasdaq just kind of chopped. Big seller at the 51s, 50 contracts at the 51s here. Huh. PW, any clue what's coming with Apex? Ooh, there is some stuff coming with Apex, some new stuff coming out. I can't tell you all the secrets just yet, but let's just say it's gonna be fast. Let's just say it's gonna be fast. That's all I can say. Fast Apex. Apex fast. So fast Apex. Fast. Fast. So fast. And look at that. Nasdaq just right back up there once again. Painful. Painful trades here. Got like 24 contracts sitting on the bid there at the 50s, like kind of like looking like a little bit of a, you know, like mini bear flag type thing here. I don't know. Let's say it's not, it has nothing to do with payouts. It has to do with funding. Fuck, do I take a short here? Try to get 10 points through the 50s again? All right, I'm gonna try it through the 50s again. Let's see. Not a bad stop. Just risking the high of that little candle. See if I can get like a quick 10 points or so. Just down here into this 40 area, maybe a little lower. It was setting up there. I think it really wanted to go. Now let's see if we can actually get paid here. Trying to get paid. Want to get paid. Just want to get paid. Down there into the 40s. Can we get filled? Getting some filled. Boom. 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 It's a beautiful thing, my friends. Beautiful thing. Look at that. After all of that, after all that drama, we finally made some money. Patrick, there is a lag in the stream. What do you mean there's a lag? Refresh it. Just refresh it. Refresh it, bro. Emmanuel says, I see what he does for entries now. What do I do, Emmanuel? You tell me. What do I do? What do I do, Emmanuel? Manfred Kohler said, I have a Discord with 1,000 members and it's on sale. Well, why the fuck are you telling me, Manfred? The fuck out of here. The fuck? What is this guy like trying to advertise? He trying to advertise? He's trying to advertise. What's the runtime on the e-foil? The e-foil you can run it's about an hour, but maybe like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I do not have a Discord. Only fucking losers have Discords. Like, what do you need a Discord for? What do you want to do? You want to hang out with fucking a bunch of dudes talking about trading all day in your fucking Discord? You know what I mean? Like, this seems a little weird. I'm not trying to like fucking hang out in Discord all day and share memes with each other and be like, hey, everybody's. Hey, everybody's. Honestly, though, if you look at the fucking time, look at the time, chat. Here's the time, right? Look at your time on your clock and tell me how much of a delay. There should be very little delay. People like talking about how there's a delay on the stream. I mean, I don't think there's that much delay. Four seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 3 seconds. I mean, that's pretty fucking like pretty Quit drinking in the morning. Jesse, are you fucking retarded? I swear. If you think I'm drunk right now, hey, if you think I'm drunk right now, I got a course for you that you need to buy. Okay? If you think I'm drunk, I got a course that you need to learn how to trade with, because it's gonna make you real rich for $5 million. 4 seconds is live. 1 second is live. Get the fuck out of here. It's also free. I mean, 3 seconds is fucking it's fast enough. Are you still in the short? No. I covered. Remember when I covered 38s from the 49s? How much am I up today? I don't even know, man. It's just so much money, man. It's just money. So much money. So much money. Money. Damn it, right below 5,000. That sucks. Should have made a little bit more. 0 losing trades in this account. I think we had one account had a losing trade, but we were okay. We survived. Nasdaq is kind of bleeding out here, back down there to the 730s. Someone said get short again, but why? Why are you telling me to get short again? What speed have I upgraded the BDH internet? I'm trying to get fiber. I'm supposed to have fiber installed in the next like 2 or 3 months or 30 days or whatever they told me. Patrick, do you still recommend day traders? I don't not recommend them. Daytraders.com, they got the Project X platform and all that fun stuff. Should have been had it. Oh god. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, woulda. I think maybe if it gets back over 740s, they could try to push it back up a little bit, but no reason to get long here right now. Just kind of bleeding out. See if we retest these lows again, that 720, 718 level. Once the move is done, it's easy to predict. Amen. Brian said 650 still. Okay. What made me take the short that I took? Well, stuck at the bottom of the opening range low there. We had a little bit of a bear flag forming right there. So basically looking for a short through the 50s, down there the 730s now. You had a lower high there on the 1 minute chart. 5-minute chart got stuck there at the opening range low as well. Still bleeding out. Still bleeding out here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. There's a little pushback up here now. I think this could be another long little rip back up here. 5-minute chart kind of looking like tries to push back up. You can see here as well. See how that, like, look at that candle there. I think this basically getting back above this little doji candle there should have been the entry for like for a push. I mean, it's almost like a grave inverted hammer kind of grave still. I don't even know what we fucking call it, but basically getting back above that doji there. 34s. There's that little quick push. That's if you're scalping, you know, trading this kind of in this range right now. But from here, push back up there to the 760s really quickly. There are big buyers stepping up. 42 big buyer. Look at those buyers. 44 big buyer. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. There's that push. Fucking A. Oh, by the way, that's right. Funding Ticks has a new account. They got a new account. Check this out. It is, well, fucking A. Funding Ticks has a new deal going on right now. It's basically $50 all in cost. I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, Funding Ticks they just announced it. For the Pro Plus. Yeah, Pro Plus account. 50K should be $50, right? Oh yeah, so if you do this, pull it up here. I don't know if it'll work, but there's that little push back up. So we're looking at Funding Ticks right now. And they have a new system. Basically, they have different ways to buy. So you can go here. You want the one step. You got the Funding Ticks Pro Plus. And then if you click here for the individual reward cap. So let's say your reward cap for every 5 days is $1,000. It's all you want. That's fine, right? Well, you pay that. And then bang, bang, bang. You put the coupon code here. PW, obviously. Put that coupon code in there. So put the coupon code, and then it comes out to $50 even. $50. That includes activation. That includes everything. That is literally everything, my friends. There's no activation. You pay $50 one time. Or I guess it's a month, but you should pass this before the next time it refills. So the 50K account with Funding Ticks right now, if you only have the $1,000 reward cap, you pay $50 all in. That's your activation. That's your everything. It's literally just $50 to start. You pass the eval, you go into the funded account, you get a payout, and you get paid. Okay. So big news there with Funding Ticks right now. They just announced that like in the last 15 minutes. So check them out if you haven't already. Fundingticks.com. Use the code PW. You can then open up a Pro Plus account for as little as $50. That's pretty big. That's pretty big. I'm actually messaging the guys at Funding Ticks right now. See if we can get some free accounts. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe tomorrow we'll get them, but Doo-doo. Oh, all right, Nasdaq. What are we doing? What are we doing, Nasdaq? Where are we going? What are we doing here? Going nowhere quickly. Clearly. That was kind of that long, that push. There's that push back up through the 740s. That's 10 points there. It's not bad. I mean, I ain't perfect, but it ain't bad. Back above that little doji candle there. On those lows there. Time's at 11:43. I'm just kind of hanging out right now. We'll see if anything else is going to happen here today. I got to get my some stuff done at 12:30. And so we're just hanging out. If you guys got any questions, concerns, well, I don't really care about your concerns, but I do care about this. Oh man, I had to pay the man today. Oh, it hurts. $300,000 payment. That's just one payment for, oh God, it hurts. Why do I have to spend all my money on taxes? I can't believe it. I used to be poor and now I'm rich, but I'm still poor. How does that work? How did I go from being poor to becoming rich, but then still poor? I can't understand it. How does that work? How does that work? How does that work, man? Patrick, will you have a birthday stream? I'm hoping to. That's the plan. I mean, I made $6 million last year and I paid $1.6 million. This year, I'm going to make like 20 million and I'll probably end up paying like 3 to 4 million. So, I mean, I no matter what, you still got to pay taxes. You can have the best accountant in the world. You still got to pay taxes. Either way, you know. Can I come to your place for the 5K competition? No, you can't. Does Victoria have a sister? Yes, she's married though. Patrick, can you tell us more about funding ticks? Sure. What do you want to know? You ask me, I'll ask you. Oh, I'm very poor, Billy. I have no money. The tax man took all of it. The reward cap. So basically, trying to like see if I can pull it up here. It's not the best way to do it here. But my little thingy's stuck there. If I can move over here. Okay. So the way it works, you have one step, you have the zero. Zero, there is no crazy deal. For the one step, which is basically the eval, look at the Nasdaq breaking out here again, the 750s. You've got a couple different options. You got the one step, you've got Funding Ticks 1 account, and then you've got the Funding Ticks Pro Plus. The Pro Plus account here, if you then are able to customize it. So let's say you want to pay a little bit less because you're a beginner or you're just not that confident, right? Which is fine. Hey, nothing wrong with that. It's going to save you some money. That way you have more money to buy more accounts and vice versa, all that stuff. So again, you can change the reward cap. So either you have a $5,000 reward cap per reward, right? That means that if you make $1,000, you're able to pull out $1,000 after 5 days. So that's the reward cap. It's not total reward, not like the whole life of the reward. That's just for one payout. So for one payout, you can take $1,000. Hey, all right, we like it. What's going on in New York City right now? See a video from Times Square in New York City. There's a police department, just like weird shit going on. But yeah, so you basically have the $1,000. There's an active police investigation going on in Manhattan. Oh, weird. Nightclub shooting in New York. Fuck, that's gnarly. So basically, again, going back to the reward cap, it allows you, so your first payout, you can still make $1,000. You just can't make any more than that. But again, if you're a new trader, This is what you should be focused on. This idea, right? You pick the 50K account, the trade of 8, you put in the code PW. You know how we do. You get the best deals always. You get 35% off. And look at that. Look at that. For only $50, you can sign up and open an account with Funding Ticks today. That means that's your activation. That's your everything. That's all in cost $50. So I think that's the best deal in the industry right now. What happens if you do it on this one? I think it only works on the 50K. Yeah, so basically the 50K is $50. How many days to pass? I believe there's a 50% consistency rule. 50% consistency rule, but again, it's $50. It's $50. What happens if you put the $5,000 payout? Well, then the cost is $81. So $50. It's either 50 versus 81. 40% consistency rule. You can have up to 6 50K accounts, up to $300,000 total allowed in allocation. All right, well, Nasdaq pushed back up there, held the lows once again, and now pushing back up. So what a time to be alive here. This is Funding Ticks, Funding Ticks, Funding Ticks. Do you have to pay back those payouts? What? Pay back what? Pay back your what? What? What does that even mean? Patrick, do we got to pay back? Top dog, yes, you can pull out profit every 5 days. The money that you take from the accounts, what do you mean pay it back? Like, what does that even mean? What does that other mean? I'm confused. Who are you paying back? Paying back yourself, or like paying back who? It's profit that you're making. Lost and found. It's $1,000 per payout. So you're allowed to take out $1,000 per payout. Dude, Leo V, what the fuck is this guy talking about? Alone. If you lose everything, it's not, oh my God, chat, it's not real. Guys, it's not real. It's sim funding. If you blow up the account, you don't have to pay it back. It's not a loan. Come on, chat. God. Is a laptop or desktop best for trading? It really comes it's really just a personal preference. I don't think it has anything to do. I don't think there's any type of PW code's not working. It works for me. PW. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. What, is it not working now? Did it just stop working? I think it just stopped working. Now it's working again. Dude, what is going on? Yeah, it works. You just got to put the code in once you select everything. So if it's not a loan, what is it? Joe B, don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it. It's nothing. It's fake. None of this shit's real. If you don't understand what a prop firm is, it's probably better to just not ever worry about it. Just don't worry about it. It's totally fine. Don't worry about it. Just do anything else in life. Don't do prop firms. Stay away from them. Laptops are for trading are junk. I mean, I've made plenty of money on laptops. Please explain it in 2 words. Joe B, it's very simple. Basically, a prop firm does not give you money. They just give you an account. You trade the account, you get a payout. And that's all. If you lose money, you lose money. It's not real either way. The only way that the prop firm is, the only thing they're worried about is you getting a payout. Everything else they're not worried about. Basically. How does the qualification phase at Funding Ticks works? They have a couple of different options. They've got the 1 step, they got the 0. It's all on their website. Check out their website, fundingticks.com. It's very easy to understand, at least for most people. It's easy to understand. PW gets you the best code, best deals always. How many payouts until a live account? So I believe the 0 account, it's 4 payouts, and then they put you into a live account. Yes, when you get a payout, it's real money. If you blow the account, you only lose the amount of money that you put to buy the account. So if you spend $50, but then you lose $2,000, well, guess what? You're only on the hook for $50. Yes, if you blow a $50,000 account, you're going to have to become a slave and have to move to Abu Dhabi and live there full time and work off all of the money that you lost. I believe you can pass it in 3 days. 3 days pass. 3 days to pass. Plus monthly, I believe once you're funded, there's no more monthly. When does the deal end? I believe the end of this week. I'm not sure. I don't have all the answers, just a little bit of answers. All right, so right now the Nasdaq going absolutely nowhere. We got Trump talking later with Zelensky coming in. Right now the Nasdaq just kind of holding. 750s again. Very uneventful morning here so far. It's been up, it's been down, been going to the ground. And then I might actually I might actually have a new what was I talking about? Oh, I might have a new prop firm. I don't know if how many people were going to be interested, but basically, what if I told you there is a prop firm for cryptocurrency, very similar to the way that we trade futures, but you can trade meme coins, you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna try to mess around with it, see what if I can apply some stuff. You know, we'll see. I'll once I have my account and once I test it all out and get it all set up, I'll let you guys know. No, it's definitely not Famex. Not Hyro Trader. Somebody named it right. Someone named the right one. J Quick Smoker. Have you used them before? How y'all know this already? Is it good? Do you like them or not? Jay Quick Smoker. What have been your reviews so far? I talked to the owners of the prop firm. They seem very they seemed happy. They told me that they have not denied one payout. Since being in business, they have not denied a payout, which is pretty cool to see. The only rule that they have really is the max daily loss limit. So we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna start maybe doing some nighttime. The trading terminal is not great. Fair enough. Yeah, they got instant payouts. I'll do a whole video very soon talking about them. Don't worry, chat. Don't worry. But maybe I'll start doing some nighttime streams. We're gonna come and do some live streaming at night. Rated R. I don't know how we could get any more controversial or any more adult oriented here other than just getting naked at this point. If it's breakout prop, the platform is lags. Fuck. That might be an option. It might be a problem. Nasdaq just continuing to hold up here, going nowhere quickly. Do prop firms actually put traders into live environments? Yes. Depends on the prop firm, but yes, they do. Prop firms do. They do that. Yes, you're all right. Take Profit Trader is still 40% off as well with no fee, no activation fee. So if you want to check out Take Profit Trader, they're still kicking. They're still alive. They're still putting out the money. What do you guys think? What's the favorite prop firm right now, chat? What do y'all, who's loving what? Who's loving what? TPT, okay. Take Profit Trader. I mean, that funding ticks deal at 50% off just seems like a lot of people should be loving that code, but it's not 50% off code. It's $50. What are y'all talking about? The chat, man. I can't help everybody. Look, chat. You don't get, it's not 50% off. It's 35% with the code PW. When you're buying an account, if you go to the one step, you click Funding Ticks Pro Plus. You then click the $1,000 individual reward cap. You then click the 50K account. It comes out to $50. $50. Alex Hutchinson, do I miss you? You know what's funny, Alex? Even when you're not here, it's exactly like you when you are here because you just don't talk. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. Nah, I don't know if I don't know if I miss you, but this market definitely misses you. Are you red or green on the day, Alex? Oh, I know. I need to go on this. I know the dark mode. Oh, now we got the dark mode. Got the dark mode now. Oh, look at me now. Mandy misses Alex for sure. Don Easy says that he's gonna stick with Apex because they have the cheapest eval. I mean, for $50, I don't know. Seems pretty good. Maria, I sent you an email. If you let me, want to send her our new piece. What you got? What kind of piece you got, Maria? $50. Ooh, big money, big money. Oh, jewelry. Modino jewelry. I don't know. She's, you know, she's pretty fancy. She's pretty fancy like that. She's pretty fancy. Nasdaq pushing back up here, 750s again. 750s. GH bond, he's heading to lunch, so the market's going to go up now. Thank God. Thank God GH bond's leaving. Did I kick out Victoria? No, it's 12 o'clock, bro. She's got a life to live. She was only going to be here for an hour either way. She stayed longer than she's supposed to. Do you want more experienced traders to come in as your females, or more Alex? And I like it's like your females. I mean, I'm still think I gotta figure it out. I gotta figure it out. I might take a little vacation here at some point. I don't know. I might take a week off, but maybe I don't, because if I take a week off, then I'm gonna lose all the momentum. That's the hard part, right? It's like every time if I leave, then I'm like losing momentum in the space. You need to make babies with Victoria. Oh, trust me, I'll be making babies with her. We'll be making all kinds of babies. All right, well, Nasdaq just chopping back up here to the 760s again. Patrick, fly me over from the UK for a US viewer versus UK viewer trade-off. Well, wouldn't that just be fucking fancy, wouldn't it? All right, well, the ES, the Nasdaq are going absolutely nowhere right now. There's just not much to do here, my friends. It's going to be one of those days. Just consolidating here, maybe looking for that next move down next at some point. Next move down next. Just don't know when. You got to love how, like, it just, like, you got to, honestly, sometimes it just blows my mind. Like the overnight, look at the overnight move. We went from the 796s up to the 880s. We sold off. We went all like, we got fucking huge moves all night long, you know, big moves overnight, 88 points from there to there. And then a bear flag. Look at that fucking move down. London market. Another bear. You know, like, it's like, fuck, man. And then we get this shit. You know? Just look at the 30-minute chart. It's that support. Oh, wow. I figured everything out. Now it all makes sense. Look at 30-minute chart. Everything has now I know. This whole time I've been confused. Just consolidating, market going nowhere. I mean, even like starting last Wednesday, same bullshit. Wednesday chop, Thursday chop, Friday chop, Monday chop. How do you set two different prop firms in TradeAway? I don't believe you can. You got to open different windows for each prop firm. Why do you use the US opening range and not the true opening range? The true trading range? Because I trade the US Open? Is Mandy back? I banned Mandy. How's Mandy back? Mandy made another account. Where's Victoria? She left. She went home. It's 12 o'clock. I'm gonna do the same soon. Bum 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 bum. All right, we're just sitting back here. We're waiting. We're watching. Maybe something happens. 12 o'clock now. I got a meeting at 12:30, so I'm just hanging out with you guys while I just kind of, I guess, prepare for that. So. I'm going to prepare for that, chat. Nasdaq, little pushback up there, 763s again. Okay. Okay. Same time tomorrow. You know it. We'll be back here tomorrow doing it all over again live from the BDH. But for right now, let's see what happens. Is this going to be a big old bear flag type thing? I don't know, man. Five-minute chart. We keep getting stuck there below the opening range low, maybe. Maybe. You know, maybe. I don't know. Rujo said he's been sidetracked all month, but you're alive. Well, fuck, what have you been doing, bro? How you been sidetracked for the entire month? What have you been doing for this entire month? Been just sidetracked, looking at porn on the internet all night. Bro, I just been on a mission, man. I ain't had time for nothing. I haven't had time to do anything but look at you porn every night between 9 p.m. and 4 a.m. I've been so busy. I'm on a mission to find. I'm gonna be the #1 you porn viewer. Bros is on a mission, man. I'm on a mission to go fishing. Apex, take profit, trader, or funding ticks. I mean, why not all three, baby? You know, why not all three of them? You know what I mean? Why not all three, baby? Hey PW, which prop firm do you personally trade on? Funding ticks, take profit trader, Apex, my funded futures. I do it all, baby. I do it all. I do it all. I do it all. I mean, every prop firm kind of has their own little shtick, right? Every prop firm's got their own little like thing going on. So you got to kind of figure out like, hey, you know, at the end of the day, yeah, that's fine, Ginger. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Bum-ba-dum-bum. Bum-bum-bum-bum. All right, Nasdaq testing the low, opening range low now. Where'd all my indicators go? Been trading blind with no indicators this whole time. All right, there's the resistance there again, tapping into that resistance. We're right back down here again, 760s. Why is the mentorship program finished? It was a 2-week program. I mean, how long do you want it to last for? I can't just be mentoring people for the rest of my life. Can't be doing this the rest of my life. That'd be just, what am I gonna know? Can't do that. PW, is funding ticks straight to funded account a good move? It worked for me. I took like $20,000 in payouts from the funding, from the straight to funded accounts. What contract size with a 50K account? I don't know. 2 micros, 1 mini. Really depends on your trading style. It's kind of looking here. If we're gonna like get below this low there, maybe, but, or not the low, but get below kind of these EMAs again and start pushing back down. Probably would have been better to be short from the 770s right now, but seems like a decent amount of sellers again, kind of stacking up there. I'm gonna try a little short here just to see if we get some more dippy down into the 40, 30s. Only 2 contracts, so give it a little bit of room there. Little bit of room. Might even add, if I add into like the 60 area, maybe. Kind of chopping there. Try to take out the 50s there again. We're stuck there at the bottom of the opening range low again. Oh, this shit ain't going nowhere. Let's maybe try to add into this at some point. try one more there. Same kind of stop loss on 4 now. Now, yeah, no, just chopping there. PW, why not trade gold evenings? Why not fucking trade Pokemon cards? I don't know. Why not do anything? Why even trade in general? Why not just not trade at all? You know? Why not everything, you know? Fucking A, got short too early. Should have got the bounce there, whatever. I'm gonna move these stops up a little higher just to get stopped higher, you know, why not? ES bounced right off the lows again. Everything's just chopping there. All right, I'm going a little higher. I'm going to add there. VWAP at the 780s. VWAP at the 780s. That's my real stop now, boys. How do you spend the rest of your day? Well, after this, I might just spend the rest of the day by banging my head into the window a few more times. I'm going to add one more right there. Alex just jinxed me. He just said it's going to go down like the Titanic. Now it's going to go straight up. God damn it. God damn it, Alex. You're not even here and you're still fucking me. You're not even here and you keep fucking me, Alex. This is a prop account. Don't worry, Matt. Relax. Everybody relax. God. Lambo Cody. Hey, bro. Love you, man. Right now, you're over trading and adding into losing positions, teaching thousands of people that adding into losers is perfectly good practice. At what point have I said, hey, everybody, this is very good. Please do this. Everybody do this. Everybody do it. Everybody do it. Hey, everybody, make sure you're adding into your losers here, okay? We're going to keep adding because we're never going to lose. Just keep adding. Just keep adding. Everybody keep adding. Just keep adding, okay? Don't worry. We can't lose. Just keep adding. God damn it, Alex. Why did Alex have to say, why did he have to say we're going down like Titanic? Why? 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 He fucked me. Oh, now Alex says, hey, I didn't put on a trade. Well, why the fuck did you not put that trade on? What the fuck, Alex? He's in here in the chat saying it's going to go down like Titanic. Hey, everybody in the chat, Lambo Cody wants to make sure nobody's trading, no one's following me. Please, everybody in the chat, don't do what I do. Okay, Lambo Cody's very, very, very concerned for everybody in the chat. Please, please, everybody in the chat, please don't do what I do. Whatever you do, don't do what I do. We want to make sure Lambo Cody can sleep well tonight because he's very worried. He's very worried about everybody in the chat, okay? He's very worried about you guys. He thinks that you're going to follow me and you're all going to lose everything. So don't do it. Don't lose, okay? Please don't worry. Please, please, no, please worry. Well, clearly I should have got long down there at the lows, right? I should have. I definitely should have now. In fucking hindsight, that would have been a lot smarter, wouldn't it? That would have been a lot smarter of a move because clearly this was not the move. I don't fucking know, man. Why? I don't know why anyone thinks I know what I'm doing. I know now should I go reverse long? Should we try reverse long with the chat? All right, reverse long, chat. We're going reverse long, 15. We can't lose now. We need to make $5,000 on this trade. Reverse long. We can't lose. I'm telling y'all. Lambo Coyote gonna be all right. Gonna be all right. Reverse long. Ooh, it's gonna hit, chat. It's gonna hit. No. It's gonna break. Bro, this is bad practice. Hey, everybody in the chat, don't do this. Everybody, don't do it. Don't get long, whatever you do. I'm trying to invert the chat right now. Trying to invert chat. Reverse long. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. See, I'm just trying to prove a point here. I'm trying to prove a point. Everybody in the chat told me to get out of my short, so I want to show everybody in the chat that clearly they're right and I was wrong this whole time. So this is what happens when I follow the chat. They told me to reverse long. No. It's not. No. Don't give excuses now, chat. Don't give excuses. Don't give excuses. Don't give excuses, chat. Azart Compose said he's been long all day. You've been long all day? Like since when? You've been long all day and you made 300. So wait, are you still long? Like, all right, wait, hold on a second. If you're long all day, does that mean you're still long? I'm so confused. You're long all day and you're up 300. So wait, did you lock in 300? Or are you still not long? Are you not long? If you've been long all day, what are you long from? All right. Well, let's leave. I'll just leave this here. Yeah, we can do it. You want to set up? Knock out right in there. EU leaders arrive at the White House ahead of the Trump-Zelensky meeting. What do you think the White House is like? Like, you think it's like fun to like walk around the White House, or like how's that like? What's it like? You know, like maybe I need to go to the White House to experience it. No, I'm just trying to prove a point here. I want this to crash down, and then everybody in the chat can be like, "See, I told you, Patrick. I told you it was going to crash down." But then also everyone told me it was going to go higher too. So like, pretty much 50% of the chat said it was going to go up, and 50% of the chat said it was going to go down. So listening to the chat absolutely does nothing. You know what I mean? Like, what am I supposed to do? Just leave it there. Don't worry. Don't worry, Chad. Yeah, I'm holding all the way until it gets to $7.99. $7.99. Should I go reverse short now? I'm gonna go all in short now. All right, we'll do a poll. Let's see what the chat says. Oh, 100% long. We're good. One vote. It's my music. What are you talking about? Happy music. Mad music. Mad Max music. It's Mad Max. Dude, Alex and Mandy need to get their own room. All right, I'm tired of this little love triangle thing they got going on. I don't want to be a part of it. Okay, I don't want to be a part of that. Whatever weird sex club they're a part of. You know, Alex and Mandy, go get your own place. Y'all can go get your own chat room to talk about sexual frustrations together. Okay, because we're not here for it. All right, I got no time for that. Mandy said it's time to get short. Well, why do you say that, Mandy? 68% of the chat said to get long, okay? I'm going to have to go with the chat here. Are you green on the day? Yes. I'm green. I'm green. I'm always green. I never long. I never long, never strong. Joe B, can you please tell me your settings? Yes, on YouTube. There's a lot of videos. A lot of videos on YouTube. Music's too loud now. It can't hear me. Mic check, mic check. Apple looking a little scary here. Might make a new low. There's a 44 buyer order at the 70s here. How do you reverse trade in Tradeovate? There's no button for it actually. Just exit. Cancel all, baby. Get out. I'm kidding, idiots. I know where there's a reverse. Duh. Let's try reverse and cancel. We're going to trade with Mandy. All right. Mandy said reverse and cancel. Mandy, it's all on you now, Mandy. It's all on Mandy. Let's see who's right, Alex or Mandy today. I hope Mandy knows what she's doing. Damn it, this is where I originally got short at. Fuck. Damn it. I originally was short from this exact level and the chat made me lose money. Damn you guys. Damn you. Why does the chat always do this to me? You guys always be fucking with me. I would have literally been green right now on that short from earlier. I'd be green right now. Someone said take the loss. Why would I take the loss? I'm in the money right now. How can I take a loss right now when I'm in the green? How's that possible? You're gonna unsubscribe from me because of my punishment? Don't do that. You're in control, not the chat. No, the chat is in control now. I have released all of my bodily functions to the chat. I gotta go to the bathroom really bad. Can you help me, chat? Oh God, now Alex is in the chat telling me he told me so. Oh God. Everybody gonna tell me they told me so. Patrick, I told you so. Patrick, I told you. Patrick, why do you never... I tell you this stuff, Patrick. And look, it's going lower, Patrick. Look, Patrick, I'm telling you. Patrick, I told you it's gonna go lower. God. I mean, I could have held this short. I said I was going to look for a short back up to the VWAP and everyone fucking said I was an idiot. Everyone's trying to ride my dick always. Always trying to ride my dick. Why is everyone trying to ride my dick always? Should I ride my dick here? Should I keep riding my dick here or what? You know, y'all going? Should I listen to the chat? Remember the chat voted. Don't forget, guys. The chat voted. The chat voted for this. They voted for the longs. The chat. What was the chat results? The results were 70% of the chat voted to go long when we were up at the 770s. So everybody that voted for longs, congratulations. I'm just trying to prove a point here to everybody in the chat. So everyone just stops telling me what to do. Right? Everybody stop telling me what to do and you just let me do what I do, okay? And that's win. Absolutely win, 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 win. The reason I went short? No. The reason I went short is simply looking for a move just like this. Back up there into the opening range low. Get stuck there. We had that little area looking for that move down from there. And that's what we go. Thank you very much. I'm going to move this target down right here to the 50s. I got a meeting I got to do now. So I'll let this ride for a little. Maybe I'll leave this right here. Right below break even. I'll let this ride, see if it keeps going. I'm going to go do my meeting. See what happens. Didn't go anywhere. Didn't go anywhere. Ooh, might stop at the high of that candle now. Or is that closed? No, we got 36 left in that candle. Put it right there. Yeah, that's gonna stop me probably, but time for Chipotle either way. 12:30 now. I got to go. If I get stopped out here in the profit, I'm gonna just walk away from the 69s down there to the 50s now. Stay long. What? I'm short. How can I stay long? Everybody told me. Everybody but Patrick told me to get short today. Okay? Everybody said. Patrick, make a group for paid folks. Maybe not. All right, watching this, I might move my stop down here to the top of this candle. If we break through this 40 area nice and strong, I want to try to trail this a little bit better, try to take out the 30s there next. We got the low from earlier down there at the 28s. Looks beautiful here. Love this trade right now. We love it. We love it. I like it. I like it a lot. Good thing I got short when I did. All right, I'm moving my stop now there to the 45s. We're short from the 69s. So if we get stopped out here, that's fine. I'll take my profit and go to lunch. And do I think Trump and Zelensky meeting will move the market? I think so. Looks like it's already happening. All right, and we're stopped out there. Not bad. I mean, I'll take that. Short from the 69s down there to the 39s. Ketkim said, that's what happens when you listen to the chat. You make money. The majority of the chat said to stay long, Ketkim. So, not sure how that works, but okay, whatever. What's today's P&L? Too much. Too much, man. Too much. Too much. Had some losing trades, had some winning trades, but we had some winning, some greens. There it is. I gotta run. It's lunchtime. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesdays. We're back to just me tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some good move in the market. We got a little bit of news tomorrow, but not a lot. And we'll see what happens. There it is. Another day, another dollar. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East.